If you like the space and learn about its curiosities, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the video. The Red Planet has captured human imagination for centuries, yet it is only in recent decades that we have come close to truly understanding it. Mars stands as one of the most explored planets in our solar system, with numerous missions launched by NASA, ESA, and other space agencies. These missions have revealed stunning insights about Mars' atmosphere, surface, climate history, and the possibility of past life. As humanity prepares for the next step, human missions to Mars, the discoveries and upcoming missions only fuel our fascination. Mars holds secrets to our solar system's history and could potentially be a second home for humanity. Mars exploration started with flybys in the 1960s, revealing a barren, rocky landscape with harsh conditions. These early missions, including Mariner 4 in 1965, provided the first close-up images of Mars. Although they didn't yield much detail, these initial explorations inspired a wave of missions aimed at understanding Mars on a deeper level. In the decades that followed, orbiters, landers, and rovers provided unprecedented access to Mars' surface and atmosphere. Mars is often compared to Earth, but in truth, it is a vastly different world. With a thin atmosphere mostly made of carbon dioxide, surface temperatures that can plummet to minus 125 degrees Celsius, and a barren, rocky landscape, survival on Mars would be challenging. However, Mars also has polar ice caps, signs of ancient riverbeds, and seasonal changes, sparking the tantalizing question of whether life ever existed there. These signs hint that Mars was once warmer, with a thicker atmosphere and liquid water, a place that might have been more Earth-like billions of years ago. NASA's Mars rovers, like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, have been instrumental in uncovering Mars' geological history. Each rover mission has built upon the knowledge of its predecessor, gradually piecing together the planet's past. Spirit and Opportunity explored different regions, uncovering evidence of ancient water flows and sedimentary rocks that indicate Mars was once wetter than it is today. Curiosity, launched in 2011, found traces of organic molecules and detected seasonal methane variations, sparking theories about whether these could indicate ancient microbial life or even current life forms hidden below the surface. One of the most exciting recent additions to Mars exploration is the Perseverance rover, which landed in Jezero Crater in 2021. This location was carefully chosen because it is believed to have been a lake bed billions of years ago. Scientists believe Jezero Crater may hold ancient sediment deposits, which could contain fossilized evidence of microbial life if it ever existed. Perseverance is equipped with advanced scientific instruments to study rock samples and is designed to collect samples that a future mission might return to Earth for more detailed analysis. This rover is also part of NASA's Mars Sample Return Program, an ambitious plan to bring Mars material back to Earth for the first time in history. Alongside Perseverance, the Ingenuity helicopter has made groundbreaking achievements on Mars. Ingenuity, a small, autonomous drone, became the first powered aircraft to take flight on another planet. Originally a technology demonstration, Ingenuity exceeded expectations and has now completed dozens of flights, providing aerial reconnaissance for Perseverance. Ingenuity's success has opened new avenues for future aerial exploration on Mars and beyond, showing that powered flight is feasible in the thin Martian atmosphere. Beyond rovers and helicopters, orbiters continue to play a crucial role in Mars exploration. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, launched in 2005, has been mapping the planet's surface in unprecedented detail. Its high-resolution imaging science experiment, HiRISE, camera has captured stunning images of Mars landscapes, from canyons and craters to ancient river valleys and ice deposits. These images allow scientists to analyze Mars geography, monitor seasonal changes, and identify sites of scientific interest. The MRO's data has also helped inform landing sites for subsequent missions, including the precise spot where Perseverance touched down. Another breakthrough discovery came from the Mars Express mission, led by the European Space Agency, ESA. In 2018, Mars Express detected evidence of a subsurface lake beneath Mars' south polar ice cap. This discovery, if confirmed, would be a significant find as liquid water is essential for life as we know it. The potential for subsurface water on Mars raises exciting possibilities for finding life, whether it be microbial life in ancient ice deposits or remnants of an ancient ecosystem. Mars' potential to host life, whether past or present, is one of the driving forces behind these explorations. While no definitive proof of life has been found, each mission uncovers new clues and raises new questions. Instruments on current and future missions are specifically designed to detect signs of life, from organic molecules to chemical markers of biological processes. The search for life on Mars has led scientists to redefine their understanding of where life might thrive, as they explore environments on Earth that resemble Martian conditions, such as Antarctica's dry valleys and the Atacama Desert. As we look to the future, human missions to Mars are a key goal for space agencies worldwide. NASA has announced plans to send astronauts to Mars by the late 2030s, with SpaceX also ambitiously aiming to establish a human settlement there. Preparing for human exploration presents unique challenges, including the need for sustainable habitats, life support systems, and radiation protection. Developing technologies for food production, water recycling, and reliable power sources will be essential for long-term survival on Mars. Furthermore, scientists and engineers are exploring ways to create fuel and oxygen from the Martian environment, a process known as in situ resource utilization, which could reduce the need for resupply missions from Earth. The journey to Mars will not be easy, but the potential rewards are immense. Establishing a human presence on Mars could provide insights into the origins of life, open new scientific fields, and offer a contingency plan for humanity's survival. Beyond scientific achievements, Mars exploration embodies the human spirit of discovery, pushing boundaries and expanding our understanding of the universe. Future missions may not only uncover Mars' secrets, but also answer profound questions about our own place in the cosmos. With each mission, Mars feels a little closer, a little less alien. Every new image, discovery, and innovation brings humanity one step nearer to becoming an interplanetary species. Mars Mysteries. The future of exploration grows even more ambitious. Space agencies and private companies worldwide are collaborating on advanced technologies and mission architectures to ensure sustained and detailed exploration of Mars, both robotically and, eventually, with human crews. These future missions are expected to delve into even deeper mysteries of the Red Planet, shedding light on its geologic processes, climate changes, and its potential for sustaining human life. Each planned mission brings with it unique technologies, broader goals, and more refined questions as we push toward understanding Mars in unprecedented ways. One of the upcoming missions that has garnered significant attention is the Mars Sample Return (MSR) mission, a joint endeavor between NASA and the European Space Agency. MSR aims to retrieve rock and soil samples collected by Perseverance and bring them back to Earth for comprehensive analysis. This mission is monumental because, while robotic rovers can conduct extensive research on Mars, laboratory analyses on Earth offer a level of precision currently unachievable by instruments on Mars. By analyzing Mars samples here, scientists can use more advanced techniques to detect minute chemical and isotopic signatures, which could hint at ancient Martian life or reveal detailed clues about Mars' environmental evolution. The MSR mission is slated to launch by the early 2030s, marking the first attempt to return materials from another planet, a major milestone in planetary science. Looking further ahead, one of the most groundbreaking projects is NASA's Artemis program, which aims to establish a human presence on the Moon as a stepping stone for Mars exploration. The Artemis missions are critical, as they will help researchers understand the complexities of human life in deep space, such as long-duration spaceflight, radiation exposure, and developing habitats in harsh environments. NASA envisions that knowledge gained from the Artemis program will transfer to future Martian missions, where astronauts could utilize in situ resources to sustain themselves. This concept of using Mars' natural resources, including extracting water from ice deposits and producing oxygen from carbon dioxide, is essential for building a long-term human presence on Mars. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, has equally ambitious goals, aiming not only to send humans to Mars but also to establish a self-sustaining colony. SpaceX's Starship vehicle, a fully reusable spacecraft currently in development, is designed to transport up to 100 people per mission and carry cargo necessary for constructing infrastructure on Mars. Musk envisions a multi-year colonization effort, starting with sending smaller crews to test systems and prepare habitats, followed by larger groups of settlers who would build a functioning society. Starship's design allows it to refuel on Mars using local resources, which would significantly reduce the need for supplies from Earth and make human presence on Mars more feasible. Another private company entering the Mars race is Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos. While Blue Origin's focus has traditionally been on suborbital and lunar missions, the company has expressed interest in participating in Martian exploration. Blue Origin's experience in developing sustainable habitats and its vision for long-term human settlement in space could contribute valuable insights to Mars exploration, potentially in partnership with other organizations. Blue Origin and other private companies are likely to play a role in creating critical infrastructure on Mars, from energy sources to building materials, accelerating humanity's ability to settle there. Robotic missions will continue to pave the way for human exploration. Scientists have proposed a series of next-generation Mars missions that go beyond basic surface exploration. These missions may include advanced drilling equipment that could penetrate Mars' surface by several meters, reaching areas where life might be hidden from harmful radiation. Concepts for subsurface missions include autonomous probes designed to explore Martian caves and lava tubes, believed to be among the most promising places for finding signs of life. These hidden environments may protect microbial organisms from surface conditions, and exploring them could reveal unique ecosystems or evidence of ancient life. Moreover, missions aiming to understand Mars' atmosphere and climate will advance our knowledge of the planet's history and offer crucial information for human settlers. Mars' atmosphere is only about 1% the density of Earth's, making it difficult to breathe and offering minimal protection from cosmic radiation. Upcoming missions may deploy specialized weather stations and atmospheric probes to measure Martian weather patterns, dust storms, and seasonal changes in greater detail. These measurements will help scientists understand how Mars' atmosphere evolved and provide data that could aid in developing habitats that can withstand the planet's harsh conditions. A particularly exciting area of Mars research involves terraforming concepts, hypothetical plans to alter the planet's environment to make it more Earth-like. Although still far from achievable, scientists have proposed ideas for gradually increasing Mars' atmospheric pressure and temperature, potentially creating a more habitable environment over centuries or millennia. One concept involves releasing greenhouse gases trapped in Mars' polar ice caps to create a thicker atmosphere that could warm the planet. Other ideas include using giant mirrors to focus sunlight onto Mars' surface, raising temperatures, and possibly making liquid water stable. While these ideas are speculative and face numerous scientific and ethical challenges, they inspire new lines of research and may one day contribute to making Mars a second home for humanity. The future of Mars exploration also includes international partnerships, with countries around the world contributing to a unified goal of reaching Mars. The United Arab Emirates Hope probe, for instance, has already expanded our knowledge of Mars' atmosphere and weather. China's Tianwen-1 mission, which includes an orbiter, lander, and rover, marked China's entry into Mars exploration and successfully provided new insights into Mars geology and climate. These missions illustrate the growing global interest in Mars and open opportunities for international collaboration, where pooled resources and shared knowledge could accelerate progress and make Mars exploration more sustainable and achievable. In parallel, researchers are looking at how Mars exploration will impact human psychology and sociology. Mars missions will require astronauts to endure isolation, limited resources, and confined spaces for extended periods. Studies in Antarctic research stations and simulations, like NASA's HICs in Hawaii, provide insight into the psychological challenges of such missions. Future Mars missions may incorporate virtual reality environments, improve communication systems, and carefully design living spaces to support mental health and maintain morale. Understanding these psychological factors is vital for creating a supportive environment where astronauts can thrive and effectively carry out scientific research despite the challenges. Mars exploration pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity, requiring technological advances that could transform not only space travel, but also life on Earth. The development of efficient energy sources, medical advancements for remote care, and innovative agricultural techniques for food production could benefit life on Earth and support future Mars settlers. These technologies bring humanity closer to the goal of sustainable living on another world, a challenge that demands creativity, resilience, and collaboration. Mars remains a frontier of possibility, a landscape of potential knowledge and new beginnings. Every mission, whether robotic or human, inches us closer to this new chapter in human history. The commitment to exploring Mars reflects humanity's enduring desire to discover, adapt, and explore. In this journey, Mars is more than a distant planet. It represents the embodiment of our quest to understand life's origins, push the limits of exploration, and envision a future where humanity exists beyond Earth. The Red Planet may one day become a thriving world where new generations are born, live, and contribute to a deeper understanding of our universe. Until then, each discovery, each mission, brings Mars closer to being a vital part of the human story. As our understanding of Mars grows, so does the vision for its potential role in humanity's future. Mars is not only a destination, it's becoming a symbol of the ambition and resilience required for interplanetary life. The Red Planet has fueled countless theories, debates, and innovative ideas, with each generation of scientists pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we dream Mars could be. This excitement extends beyond the scientific community. Mars captivates artists, writers, and thinkers, influencing pop culture and inspiring new generations to look to the stars with a sense of wonder and possibility. The implications of Mars exploration extend far beyond planetary science. With each technological leap, humanity not only prepares for life on Mars, but also gains tools and knowledge that could address pressing challenges on Earth. For instance, advancements in sustainable habitats, waste recycling, and renewable energy developed for Mars missions could be adapted to enhance life on Earth, especially in remote or resource-scarce areas. Mars missions are driving the development of compact and efficient life support systems that could have applications in urban areas, rural communities, and disaster-stricken regions on our planet. Education and public engagement play a vital role in the Mars exploration narrative. As missions reach unprecedented milestones, public interest surges, with people worldwide following each launch, landing, and discovery. These missions inspire educational initiatives that encourage students to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM). Programs such as NASA's Mars Student Imaging Project allow students to conduct Mars-based research, offering hands-on experience that connects them directly to real-world space exploration. Initiatives like these are essential for nurturing the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts who may one day set foot on Mars. The cultural fascination with Mars also stems from the deep philosophical questions it raises about humanity's place in the cosmos. If we find even the faintest evidence of past or present life on Mars, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history, reshaping our understanding of biology and perhaps even redefining life itself. Finding microbial life, fossils, or even chemical evidence of biological processes would have immense implications, suggesting that life could emerge in diverse environments across the universe. Mars, in this context, becomes more than a world to explore. It becomes a key to understanding life's universality. Meanwhile, artists and writers imagine futures where Mars is populated, each with unique visions of Martian cities, societies, and cultures. Science fiction has long portrayed Mars as a new frontier, a place where humanity could start anew, facing challenges that test both our survival skills and our capacity for unity. Stories of Mars settlements, ranging from utopian societies to rugged, pioneer-like colonies, explore what it might mean to be Martian and how humanity might evolve in an environment so distinct from Earth. This speculative creativity enriches public perception of Mars, making it not just a scientific object of study, but a world of possibilities where human stories can unfold in unexpected ways. In practical terms, humanity's future on Mars will require a new level of international cooperation. The vast resources, expertise, and logistical support needed for long-term missions make collaboration essential. Countries worldwide recognize that space exploration is increasingly a cooperative endeavor, with international teams working toward common goals. Programs such as the International Space Station, ISS, demonstrate how pooling resources can lead to shared achievements. Similarly, the Artemis Accords aim to establish a cooperative framework for exploring space beyond Earth, including Mars. This spirit of unity sets a powerful precedent, showcasing how international collaboration could turn Mars into a shared global endeavor rather than a competitive race. The human experience on Mars will also challenge our sense of identity and belonging. As humans venture farther into space, questions of cultural and national identity may evolve. Future Mars settlers could see themselves as Martians rather than Earthlings, developing new customs, languages, and values adapted to life on another planet. Social structures and governance models on Mars may need to be rethought, particularly as people adapt to the psychological and logistical realities of a society isolated from Earth. The opportunity to build new communities from scratch on Mars presents a unique social experiment, one that could inform how we approach society's issues on Earth. An intriguing concept related to Mars colonization is planetary stewardship, the ethical responsibility of treating Mars with respect as we explore it. This philosophy suggests that humanity should aim to protect Mars' natural environment and consider the long-term impacts of altering another world. Some argue that Mars should remain largely untouched, a pristine environment for scientific study. Others see Mars as an opportunity for human expansion, where the benefits of settling another planet could outweigh the need for strict preservation. This debate forces us to confront our role as custodians of other worlds and challenges us to make decisions that balance exploration with responsibility. Looking even further into the future, the potential for human life on Mars could open the door to new ways of thinking about humanity's survival and evolution. Mars settlements could serve as backup populations, offering resilience in case of catastrophic events on Earth. Mars settlers might adapt physically and biologically over generations, with natural selection possibly favoring traits suited to Mars' lower gravity, higher radiation levels, and extreme cold. Some scientists and ethicists even propose that genetic modifications could one day help humans thrive on Mars. This raises profound questions about human adaptation, technology, and ethics, as well as how we define what it means to be human in an interplanetary society. Mars exploration, then, is about much more than scientific discovery. It is a journey into the future of humanity itself. Every mission, every innovation, every small step toward understanding Mars brings us closer to a world where humans might live and work on a planet that once seemed unreachable. As Mars becomes a part of our reality, it challenges us to rethink our relationship with Earth, our values as a species, and our dreams for the future. Mars may one day become a thriving hub of human activity, a place of scientific breakthroughs, cultural exchange, and perhaps even interplanetary peace. Mars is not just the next stop in space exploration. It's a new chapter in humanity's story. As we stand on the brink of becoming a multi-planetary species, the Red Planet symbolizes a bold leap toward a future where human ingenuity and curiosity are boundless. Every discovery on Mars echoes a message that our potential is as vast as the universe itself. In this way, Mars beckons, inviting humanity to take its next great leap, carrying the dreams, resilience, and determination that define our journey among the stars. As we look ahead to a future on Mars, the vision for an interplanetary humanity is taking shape in ways that were once only science fiction. The journey to Mars promises not only a deeper understanding of the Red Planet, but also a transformative shift in how we perceive ourselves, our capabilities, and our place in the cosmos. With each advancement, Mars exploration brings humanity to the edge of a profound and exhilarating frontier, one that will redefine human history and expand the possibilities for life beyond Earth. One of the most exciting aspects of a human mission to Mars is the unprecedented technological innovation it demands. As engineers and scientists work on spacecraft, habitats, and life support systems, they're creating technologies that will push the limits of what's possible. For instance, the need for long-term energy sources on Mars has accelerated research into nuclear reactors that are compact, safe, and highly efficient. These reactors could provide consistent power to Martian settlements, enabling inhabitants to live and work in a stable environment despite Mars' extreme temperatures and dust storms. Such advancements could also revolutionize energy production on Earth, offering new solutions for clean, reliable power in remote or underserved regions. To build a sustainable presence on Mars, astronauts will need to rely heavily on in-situ resource utilization, ISRU, a concept focused on using local resources to support life and operations. Mars regolith, or soil, contains essential elements like oxygen, silicon, and iron, which could be extracted to create building materials, tools, and even breathable air. Experimental technologies, such as NASA's Mars Oxygen In-Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, MOXIE, have already demonstrated that it's possible to produce oxygen from Mars' carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. MOXIE's success is a promising step toward creating a self-sustaining outpost on Mars, where resources from Earth are minimized and Martian settlers can live with a degree of independence. Food production will be another critical challenge for life on Mars, as importing food from Earth would be impractical for a long-term settlement. Researchers are developing innovative methods to grow crops in controlled environments that mimic Martian conditions. Hydroponic and aeroponic farming techniques, which require minimal water and soil, offer promising options for producing food in Mars' limited resources. Additionally, scientists are studying specific plant species and genetically modifying crops to withstand the unique stresses of a Martian environment. These breakthroughs in agricultural technology could not only enable sustainable food production on Mars, but also enhance food security and resilience on Earth, particularly in arid and nutrient-poor areas. Communication between Earth and Mars will be another key challenge due to the vast distance between the two planets. Messages currently take between 5 and 20 minutes to travel one way, depending on the planet's positions in their orbits. This delay makes real-time communication impossible, which means future Martian settlers will have to rely on a mix of automated systems, artificial intelligence, and on-the-ground decision-making. AI-powered assistants could help monitor life support systems, conduct scientific experiments, and even serve as personal companions for astronauts, addressing the psychological needs of people living in isolation. As AI advances, the technology developed for Mars could transform industries on Earth, streamlining tasks, improving efficiency, and even offering companionship in various settings. Beyond the physical and technological aspects, Mars will be a test of human resilience, adaptability, and social dynamics. Living on Mars will require not only scientific knowledge, but also a unique mindset. Settlers will need to embrace a pioneer spirit, a willingness to confront challenges, and a profound respect for teamwork. Social cohesion will be essential, as the psychological impact of isolation, distance from Earth, and limited personal space could strain even the most resilient individuals. Researchers are already studying the effects of long-term isolation and confinement on mental health in controlled environments, such as Antarctica and simulated Mars habitats. Insights from these studies will inform strategies for managing interpersonal conflicts, maintaining morale, and supporting mental health in Martian communities. As humans adapt to life on Mars, they may develop a culture and identity distinct from Earth. Future Martian settlers might consider themselves as pioneers of a new world, forming traditions, rituals, and social norms unique to their environment. Daily life on Mars could lead to the creation of new art forms, literature, and music inspired by the planet's barren landscapes, muted colors, and stark beauty. Mars-based culture may reflect the isolation, self-reliance, and close-knit community needed for survival, and could one day offer a distinct perspective on humanity's shared heritage and values. This emerging Martian culture would mark the beginning of a new chapter in human civilization, one that may eventually evolve alongside Earth's diverse cultures. Education and learning on Mars will likely adapt to meet the needs of a spacefaring society. Children born or raised on Mars, if that future comes to pass, will grow up with a different relationship to science, space, and the concept of Earth as home. Their education may focus on skills related to life in extreme environments, such as engineering, robotics, and planetary science. They may also learn about Earth's biodiversity, ecosystems, and cultures as part of their heritage, developing a unique, dual understanding of both planets. This generation of Martians would have an unparalleled perspective on human diversity, the interconnectedness of life, and the need for responsible stewardship of the environments in which they live. Ethical considerations will also play a significant role as we plan for life on Mars. How should we approach a planet that may hold evidence of ancient life? What responsibilities do we have in preserving its environment while building a new society? These questions lead to complex debates about planetary protection, scientific exploration, and human impact. Some advocate for a minimal footprint approach, arguing that Mars should remain as untouched as possible to preserve its natural state. Others believe that human expansion to Mars is inevitable and that we should focus on creating sustainable practices that balance exploration with preservation. These ethical discussions challenge us to think deeply about our role in the universe and our responsibility to future generations. Finally, as Mars exploration continues, it may inspire humanity to venture even further. Mars is just one stepping stone in a broader journey across the solar system and beyond. A successful human presence on Mars could open the door to missions to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, where scientists believe oceans of liquid water might harbor life. Each step toward Mars brings us closer to interstellar exploration, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. In many ways, Mars is our training ground, preparing humanity for a future where distant stars are within our reach. The vision of Mars as a human outpost may seem ambitious, but history shows that humanity has an incredible capacity to turn dreams into reality. Mars represents both a destination and a starting point, a place that challenges us to redefine what we know about survival, exploration, and the possibilities of human life. As we stand at the threshold of becoming a multiplanetary species, Mars offers a unique opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow in ways that could ultimately transform humanity itself. It is a journey that will require courage, collaboration, and an unyielding commitment to exploration. In the coming decades, Mars will become a laboratory for testing the limits of human potential, a stage for the unfolding story of human resilience, and a canvas for the aspirations of a species reaching beyond its cradle. Every mission, every challenge, and every discovery brings us closer to Mars and closer to realizing a future where the Red Planet is not just a distant world, but a new chapter in the human saga. As we reach toward Mars, we embrace the unknown, daring to imagine a life that expands beyond Earth and bringing the stars within humanity's grasp. Mars, each step forward redefines the boundaries of exploration, and the Red Planet becomes a beacon of inspiration for what lies beyond. The pursuit of Mars invites us to reflect not only on the scientific and technological challenges, but also on the philosophical and existential questions that come with venturing into the unknown. Mars represents more than just a new frontier. It is a gateway to understanding our place in the universe and exploring the limits of human resilience, creativity, and unity. One of the most profound aspects of Mars exploration is the potential for self-discovery. The journey to Mars, while directed outward, inherently calls for introspection. As we learn to build habitats, create sustainable ecosystems, and adapt to the planet's harsh environment, we are forced to confront fundamental questions about survival, adaptation, and the nature of human society. The limitations of resources, the isolation from Earth, and the constant reliance on each other will challenge future Martian settlers to rethink and simplify their lives, potentially fostering a new appreciation for interdependence, sustainability, and innovation. Establishing a colony on Mars will demand a level of resourcefulness and resilience unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. For the first time, humans will attempt to survive on a world completely devoid of life-sustaining resources as we know them. This endeavor requires more than just technological prowess. It requires a mental shift, a readiness to thrive in an environment that will test every facet of human ingenuity. The harsh realities of Mars will likely foster a culture of efficiency and adaptability, where waste is minimized, resources are recycled, and every action is intentional. These principles could not only ensure survival on Mars but also serve as a model for sustainable practices back on Earth, highlighting how space exploration can drive positive change on our home planet. The psychological challenges of life on Mars will be equally significant. Living in a confined space with limited social interactions, cut off from the familiar rhythms of Earth, will test the mental resilience of Martian settlers. Overcoming the sense of isolation, adjusting to the different day-night cycle on Mars, which is about 24.6 hours, and coping with the unchanging, barren landscape may require new strategies in mental health care and personal well-being. Future Mars missions will likely employ innovative tools, such as immersive virtual reality experiences that simulate Earth's environments, artificial intelligence for companionship, and specially designed routines that help maintain a sense of normalcy. These mental health strategies will not only be crucial for Mars settlers, but may also offer insights into psychological resilience for people living in isolated or extreme conditions on Earth. The concept of time itself will take on new meaning on Mars. With a different planetary day, called a sol, and a year that lasts nearly twice as long as an Earth year, Martian settlers may develop a unique sense of time that diverges from Earth's calendar. Traditional Earth-based concepts of time may need to be adapted or even reinvented, leading to the possibility of a Martian calendar and daily schedule that reflect the rhythms of the red planet. This adaptation could influence everything from work schedules and cultural rituals to the very way settlers perceive the passage of life on Mars. In this sense, Mars offers a chance to rethink how humans relate to time and space, adapting our ways of life to fit the context of a new world. Mars colonization also brings the potential for scientific advancements that could transform our understanding of biology, medicine, and genetics. The unique challenges of Mars, such as reduced gravity, increased radiation, and a completely foreign ecosystem, will likely influence human biology over time. Scientists are already exploring how human physiology might adapt to Mars' low gravity, which is about 38% of Earth's. Some studies suggest that long-term exposure to lower gravity could lead to changes in muscle structure, bone density, and even cardiovascular health. Mars settlers may also experience genetic adaptations over generations, potentially giving rise to a distinct branch of humanity adapted to Martian conditions. Such research not only holds promise for space medicine, but could also lead to breakthroughs in understanding how human biology adapts to extreme environments. The scientific opportunities on Mars are virtually limitless. From studying the planet's geology and climate history to examining the mysterious subsurface, Mars offers insights into the early solar system and the conditions that may support life. Understanding Mars' history of water, for example, could provide clues about how Earth's climate evolved and the processes that sustain life. Additionally, Mars has a record of ancient impacts, volcanic activity, and tectonic movements that could reveal new information about planetary evolution. These investigations will deepen our knowledge of Mars while shedding light on Earth's past and helping us predict our planet's future. As we settle into Mars, questions of law, ethics, and governance will arise in new and complex ways. Who will set the rules on Mars? And what rights and responsibilities will settlers have? Will they abide by Earth-based laws? Or will Martian settlers establish their own systems of governance? Some propose that Mars should operate as an independent entity, allowing for a new form of self-governance that reflects the unique conditions and challenges of life on another planet. This idea sparks a philosophical debate on autonomy, freedom, and the nature of human societies. The potential for a self-sustaining society on Mars raises questions about the role of Earth in Martian affairs, and whether Mars could one day emerge as an independent civilization. On Mars, humanity will face its most significant test of collective will and vision. The endeavor to survive and thrive on a new planet will require not only scientific knowledge, but also compassion, adaptability, and a profound sense of purpose. The pursuit of Mars will likely inspire a new kind of global unity as people from all over the world contribute to this shared mission. From the engineers designing life support systems to the educators inspiring young minds, everyone plays a role in humanity's journey to Mars. This sense of shared purpose could serve as a powerful force, encouraging people across cultures and borders to unite in the face of a common goal. As we explore Mars, we are reminded of the extraordinary achievements we can accomplish when we work together. The dream of Mars is a testament to the human spirit, the endless curiosity that drives us to explore, question, and innovate. Mars represents a new frontier that will redefine our understanding of life, pushing us to imagine a future where humanity is no longer confined to one world. The journey to Mars will challenge our assumptions, deepen our knowledge, and broaden our horizons in ways we can only begin to imagine. It's a journey that requires courage, creativity, and a belief in the extraordinary potential of the human race. In the vast, silent expanse of space, Mars awaits, a world brimming with mysteries, challenges, and possibilities. As we take each step closer to the red planet, we carry with us the dreams, resilience, and ingenuity of generations. Mars is not merely a destination. It is a proving ground for humanity's most profound qualities. In reaching Mars, we reaffirm our capacity for exploration and our commitment to understanding the universe. The journey to Mars is more than a quest for scientific knowledge. It is a testament to the human journey itself, a journey that seeks not only to uncover the mysteries of distant worlds, but also to discover the best within ourselves. The vision of a future on Mars encapsulates the ultimate expression of human aspiration, to reach beyond what we know, to test our limits, and to create a new chapter in the history of life itself. Mars is both a mirror and a blank canvas, reflecting humanity's resilience and dreams while offering a vast, untamed landscape where our imagination can take form. As we stand on the precipice of this monumental journey, Mars compels us to think beyond survival. It invites us to imagine thriving in a world so different from our own, yet fundamentally linked to the universal quest for meaning and progress. Life on Mars will redefine human civilization in ways we can barely anticipate. Settlers on Mars will face a constant challenge to balance self-sufficiency with interdependence. Unlike life on Earth, where global supply chains provide the essentials of modern living, Mars will require complete reliance on local resources and systems. Mars will force humans to adopt an ethos of conservation and resourcefulness, and this culture of efficiency could revolutionize our understanding of sustainable living. Every drop of water, every kilowatt of power, and every breath of air will be carefully measured and managed, fostering a mentality that prioritizes long-term survival over short-term gain. The scarcity of resources on Mars also provides an opportunity to rethink our economic values and systems. Traditional economic models, focused on growth and consumption, may need to be adjusted for life on Mars. Instead of an economy based on extraction and accumulation, Mars might adopt principles of circular economy, where waste is minimized and every resource is reused to its maximum potential. Such a shift could redefine what wealth means, with value measured not by surplus but by efficiency, sustainability, and the ability to provide for all. In this new context, Martian settlers may pioneer innovative systems of exchange, cooperation, and productivity that prioritize well-being and resilience over material abundance. Settling Mars will not only be a feat of engineering and science, but also a philosophical journey that will compel us to question our ethical responsibilities as stewards of a new world. As we consider transforming Mars to make it more habitable, or terraforming, we must confront the ethical implications of altering an entire planet's ecosystem. Although Mars is currently lifeless as we know it, even hypothetical signs of ancient life would demand a re-evaluation of our approach. Should Mars remain pristine, an untouched monument to natural history, or should it become a new home for humanity, reshaped to suit our needs? This debate touches on the core of what it means to explore. Are we conquerors or caretakers? The ethical questions extend beyond Mars itself to include the treatment of those who choose to live there. Future Martian settlers may face unique risks, from radiation exposure to the psychological strains of isolation. How do we ensure the well-being of those who choose to make Mars their home? And what rights will they hold as members of a society that exists on a different planet? These questions may lead to the creation of new rights, laws, and protections specifically tailored to the conditions of life on Mars. This emerging legal framework could become a model for safeguarding human dignity and autonomy in extreme environments, not only on Mars but in any future endeavors to inhabit other worlds. Life on Mars could also offer a new perspective on human relationships and cultural evolution. Cut off from Earth, Martian settlers might experience a deep sense of solidarity born out of shared hardship and common goals. Communities on Mars may develop distinct customs, values, and even belief systems that reflect their unique environment and challenges. These settlers may no longer define themselves solely by their earthly origins. Rather, they may see themselves as Martians, united by a pioneering spirit and a collective identity that transcends national, cultural, or ethnic divisions. This new sense of identity could foster an ethos of unity, collaboration, and resilience that transforms what it means to be human. One of the most intriguing possibilities of a Martian society is how it might redefine education and knowledge. Living in an environment so different from Earth, Martian settlers would prioritize skills essential for survival and adaptation. Education on Mars would likely emphasize sciences like planetary geology, engineering, and biomedicine, but it might also include philosophy, ethics, and social sciences to help settlers navigate the psychological and cultural implications of life on another planet. Martian children may grow up learning not only about Earth's history, but also about Mars' unique geology and potential for life, fostering a dual planetary awareness that could broaden their understanding of existence itself. As Martian society matures, there may come a time when settlers feel the need to establish their own systems of governance, separate from Earth. This shift could lead to the birth of a truly autonomous Martian civilization, governed by laws and principles that reflect the values and conditions of life on Mars. This moment, should it arrive, would represent a profound milestone in human history, the establishment of an independent society beyond Earth, a tangible manifestation of humanity's expansion into the cosmos. The possibility of Mars becoming an autonomous world, with its own distinct society and culture, raises profound questions about identity, allegiance, and the nature of human civilization itself. This journey toward Mars also calls into question the very nature of exploration. Historically, exploration has often been driven by conquest and the desire for wealth or territory. But Mars offers a new model of exploration that prioritizes knowledge, curiosity, and survival over domination. The goal is not to exploit Mars, but to learn from it, to coexist with it, and to unlock its secrets while respecting its unique character. This shift in approach could inspire a new philosophy of exploration, one that values discovery for its own sake and respects the inherent value of the places we explore. Mars may well be the beginning of a more mindful, ethical approach to humanity's expansion into the cosmos. As humanity stands on the cusp of a new era, Mars symbolizes the limitless possibilities that await. The Red Planet challenges us to dream, to innovate, and to rethink our understanding of life and community. The journey to Mars will likely be a story of triumphs and setbacks, of breakthroughs and unexpected challenges, and of a relentless pursuit of knowledge. But it is a journey that ultimately speaks to our deepest aspirations, to understand the universe, to extend our reach, and to create a future that reflects the best of what we can be. Each step toward Mars brings us closer to a time when humanity will not only explore the stars but also live among them. Mars is a beginning, a proving ground for the skills, technologies, and philosophies that will one day take us to other planets, moons, and perhaps even other star systems. It represents a profound commitment to exploration, a recognition of the unknown, and a willingness to adapt and evolve in ways we have only begun to imagine. In reaching for Mars, we honor the explorers, scientists, and dreamers who came before us and paved the way for generations who will look even further. Mars is the next chapter in an unending story of curiosity, resilience, and hope, a story that defines humanity itself. The Red Planet stands as both a challenge and an invitation, a place where humanity will test its limits, discover its strengths, and shape a future that embraces the vast, uncharted expanses of space. Mars is calling, and humanity is ready to answer, embarking on a journey that will redefine not only our understanding of the cosmos, but also the very essence of what it means to be human. The Red Planet becomes more than just a scientific target. It emerges as a place that will shape our culture, our identity, and our future. Each step closer to Mars marks a new chapter in a story that connects human history to the boundless possibilities of the cosmos. Mars challenges us to expand our perspectives, redefine our values, and consider what it truly means to become an interplanetary species. The journey to Mars is a mirror for our greatest aspirations and our deepest questions. As we design the technologies, habitats, and life support systems that will allow humans to survive on Mars, we also embark on an exploration of our own limitations and strengths. Mars forces us to innovate and adapt in ways we have never done before, driving advancements in fields as diverse as robotics, materials science, artificial intelligence, and medicine. Each innovation born from this journey not only prepares us for life on Mars, but also holds potential to reshape life on Earth, offering new solutions to global challenges like climate change, resource scarcity, and sustainable living. Mars is a natural testing ground for the future of human civilization in space. Unlike the Moon, Mars has an atmosphere, seasonal changes, and a day that closely resembles our own. These similarities make Mars an ideal candidate for a self-sustaining human colony. Yet the planet's many differences demand that we rethink how we live, work, and grow as a society. Future Martian settlements will likely resemble small, interconnected communities that rely on advanced life support systems and tightly integrated infrastructure. Here, sustainability will be a matter of survival, requiring settlers to adopt a mindset of efficiency and resilience that could inspire new approaches to living sustainably on Earth. This new phase of exploration also challenges our concepts of freedom, autonomy, and governance. The settlers who brave Mars' harsh conditions may develop their own systems of governance, tailored to the unique demands and risks of Martian life. Questions of autonomy are likely to emerge as Martian society matures. Should Mars remain politically connected to Earth, or should it evolve as an independent entity? What rights and responsibilities will Martian settlers have, and how might their laws differ from those on Earth? These questions touch on the foundations of human society and governance, inviting us to consider new ways of organizing communities that prioritize cooperation, adaptability, and shared purpose. The nature of human relationships on Mars will also evolve. Living in an isolated, interdependent environment, Martian settlers may develop a deep sense of unity and collaboration. The shared experience of building a life on an alien planet, cut off from the familiar comforts of Earth, could forge a collective identity, a Martian identity, that transcends cultural, national, and ethnic differences. This new identity might be rooted in a common commitment to exploration, a respect for the planet's resources, and an understanding of the fragility and value of life. This sense of unity and shared purpose could redefine what it means to be a global or interplanetary citizen, offering lessons in empathy and solidarity that resonate across humanity. One of the most exciting aspects of Mars exploration is the potential for new scientific discoveries that could reshape our understanding of life, evolution, and the origins of our own planet. Mars offers a preserved record of its ancient past, with geological features and climate markers that scientists believe hold clues about the early solar system. By studying Mars' landscape, climate history, and potential signs of ancient life, we deepen our understanding of Earth's history and broaden our perspective on how planets evolve. The discovery of even the smallest microbial life on Mars would be a groundbreaking revelation, suggesting that life might be more common in the universe than we previously believed. Such a discovery would not only change our scientific models but also challenge our philosophical and ethical frameworks, prompting us to rethink our place in a universe that may be teeming with life. The pursuit of Mars also inspires a renaissance of creativity, storytelling, and imagination. Writers, filmmakers, and artists have long envisioned life on Mars, from early science fiction tales to contemporary portrayals of Martian cities and cultures. These creative works help us envision the possibilities and challenges of a future on Mars, sparking the imaginations of generations who may one day contribute to this journey. As Mars exploration becomes a reality, the stories we tell about it may transform from fiction to lived experience, inspiring new narratives about human courage, resilience, and the drive to explore. Mars also serves as a reminder of our responsibility as explorers. The ethical implications of human presence on Mars are profound. Do we have the right to alter another planet, even if it seems barren? How should we balance our own survival with the preservation of Mars' natural state? These questions push us to consider the broader impact of exploration, guiding us toward an ethic of planetary stewardship. This ethic, rooted in respect for the environments we explore, could influence our approach not only to Mars but to all future endeavors in space, fostering a culture of responsible exploration that seeks to harmonize discovery with preservation. The journey to Mars is more than a mission. It is a legacy we build for future generations. As we lay the groundwork for human life on Mars, we are planting the seeds of a future where humanity thrives among the stars. Each discovery, each innovation, and each moment of courage on this journey strengthens the foundation for a world where our descendants may live, work, and dream on multiple planets. The young people who today are captivated by Mars rovers and space telescopes may one day be the scientists, engineers, and explorers who carry this mission forward, continuing the cycle of curiosity, knowledge, and exploration. Mars exploration also represents humanity's growing capacity to see beyond our own needs and consider the long-term survival of our species. The endeavor to settle Mars is, in many ways, a response to existential questions. How can we ensure humanity's future in a universe filled with unknowns? How do we expand beyond Earth while respecting the worlds we encounter? In reaching for Mars, we are not only seeking new resources or a potential second home. We are striving to secure a future where human civilization can endure and thrive, adapting to the challenges of an ever-changing universe. As we prepare for this new chapter, we are reminded that Mars is only the beginning. The technologies, skills, and philosophies developed for Mars will pave the way for even greater journeys to the outer planets, the icy moons, and eventually beyond our solar system. Mars is the next stepping stone, a launch pad for humanity's deeper exploration of the cosmos. Each mission to Mars brings us closer to a future where the vast reaches of space are within our reach, where distant worlds are no longer mysteries, but new frontiers waiting to be explored. The call to Mars is a call to expand our understanding of what it means to be human. It is a journey that challenges us to confront the unknown, to overcome the limits of our knowledge, and to embrace a future that is as vast and varied as the universe itself. As we look toward Mars, we carry with us the hopes, dreams, and determination of countless generations. The Red Planet beckons us to write a new story of discovery, resilience, and unity, a story that begins on Earth but reaches for the stars. Mars is waiting, a silent, red beacon in the night sky, inviting us to venture beyond the familiar, to explore, to learn, and to grow. It is a journey that promises not only new knowledge, but a transformation of humanity itself. In answering the call of Mars, we affirm our place in the cosmos, not as conquerors, but as caretakers and seekers, embracing the mysteries of the universe with open hearts and minds. Each step toward Mars is a step toward understanding who we are and who we might become in a universe filled with infinite possibilities. Mars is our next great journey, and humanity is ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. The journey to Mars is not just a scientific endeavor. It is a profound exploration of our collective spirit, a testament to our innate desire to reach beyond the boundaries of what we know and reshape the future. With every plan, every mission, every challenge overcome, Mars becomes more than a distant, lifeless world. It becomes a testament to human potential and a new horizon for discovery, unity, and growth. In venturing toward Mars, we embrace a bold vision that expands the very definition of what it means to be human. The preparation for Mars demands an unprecedented degree of collaboration across nations, organizations, and disciplines. The technologies required for life on Mars, sustainable habitats, advanced medical care, resource extraction, and closed-loop systems, are being developed by scientists and engineers from every corner of the globe. This cooperative effort exemplifies a unique era of global unity, where the shared goal of Mars exploration supersedes individual interests. As countries pool their knowledge, resources, and talents, humanity's journey to Mars becomes a collective effort, a shared vision for the future. This spirit of collaboration could lay the groundwork for a new era of diplomacy, one driven by curiosity, mutual respect, and a commitment to explore the universe together. In the pursuit of Mars, humanity is also compelled to confront and overcome its own limitations. The sheer distance and isolation of Mars create an environment where resilience and adaptability are are not optional but essential. Settlers on Mars will face life in an environment where Earth's luxuries, open water, fresh air, natural food, do not exist. Survival will require not only physical endurance, but also mental fortitude, with settlers adapting to a way of life built on ingenuity, resourcefulness, and an unbreakable will to thrive. These challenges will demand new ways of thinking, living, and working, and Martian settlers will emerge as pioneers, embodying the qualities of adaptability, courage, and endurance that define human exploration. The very act of living on Mars will transform our understanding of human biology. Mars' low gravity, high radiation, and extreme temperatures will challenge our bodies in ways we are only beginning to understand. Scientists are researching how human physiology might adapt over generations, exploring potential shifts in muscle density, bone structure, and even immune system response. This exploration into human adaptation could provide invaluable insights into the mechanics of life itself, offering answers to questions that reach far beyond Mars. The knowledge we gain about our ability to endure different environments could even inform future explorations to more extreme destinations, such as the icy moons of Jupiter or the distant reaches of the Kuiper Belt. Mars also offers an unprecedented opportunity to explore the human psyche, to understand the depths of isolation, resilience, and connection. Martian settlers will face extended periods away from Earth, separated from family, friends, and familiar landscapes. The psychological impact of this isolation will likely lead to new insights into human emotions, mental health, and social dynamics. Understanding how to maintain mental well-being in extreme conditions will be essential, not only for Mars settlers but also for people on Earth who face similar challenges, such as those in isolated regions, submariners, or even long-term hospital patients. The psychological tools developed for Mars may revolutionize how we approach mental health in challenging environments, benefiting people on Earth and on future space missions alike. As humans adapt to life on Mars, a unique Martian culture may emerge. Martian society will likely be one of pragmatism, self-reliance, and close-knit community bonds. The shared experiences of living in an unforgiving environment, relying on each other for survival, could give rise to new customs, traditions, and values that reflect the challenges and rewards of Martian life. Over time, this cultural evolution could create a distinct Martian identity, one that is rooted in the realities of a new world yet remains connected to Earth. A shared language, set of beliefs, or even art forms could develop, born out of a collective experience that is both isolated and profoundly connected to humanity's journey. Mars will also redefine our relationship with time, space, and history. The settlers on Mars will be the first generation to live on another planet, and their experiences will serve as a foundation for future generations. Children born or raised on Mars will be the first humans to grow up with a dual planetary heritage, learning both about Earth's diverse ecosystems and about the unique Martian environment. They may see Earth not as a homeland, but as a distant, beautiful place from which their ancestors came. For them, Earth could be a place of legend, a world they know through stories, images, and distant memories shared by those who left it behind. This perspective could foster a new sense of planetary identity that honors Earth as a birthplace while embracing Mars as home. As humanity establishes a presence on Mars, we may also begin to envision a more sustainable relationship with Earth. The rigorous sustainability practices required for survival on Mars will likely influence our approach to environmental stewardship on Earth, encouraging us to think more carefully about resource consumption, waste management, and ecological preservation. The technologies developed to recycle air, water, and waste on Mars could be adapted to make life on Earth more sustainable, promoting a shift toward conservation and efficiency in urban and rural communities alike. In this way, Mars becomes a catalyst for environmental awareness, a distant yet powerful reminder of the need to protect and preserve our home planet. Beyond the immediate impact of Mars exploration, the pursuit of interplanetary life challenges us to think about our ultimate potential as a spacefaring species. Mars is only the first step in what could be a long journey through the solar system and beyond. If we succeed on Mars, humanity may one day establish outposts on the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, or venture into the vast regions of interstellar space. The drive to explore, to push boundaries, and to expand our reach is deeply embedded in our nature. Mars is not an endpoint. It is a beginning, a training ground for the skills, technologies, and philosophies that will propel us into even greater unknowns. Mars also invites us to look inward, to consider what kind of society we want to build and what values we want to carry into the cosmos. Do we bring with us the patterns of consumption and competition? Or do we strive for a society that values cooperation, resilience, and respect for our environment? Mars offers a chance to reflect on our own progress and to make conscious choices about the kind of legacy we wish to leave. The creation of a Martian society could serve as a model for a future where humanity prioritizes peace, sustainability, and shared purpose, values that could guide not only life on Mars but also life on Earth. As we continue our journey toward Mars, the red planet becomes a touchstone for our greatest hopes, dreams, and challenges. It symbolizes the vast potential of human creativity, the strength of our collective will, and our unyielding desire to explore. Mars represents both the unknown and the possibilities within reach, a place where we can test the limits of science, reimagine society, and experience the profound awe of stepping onto another world. Each step on Mars will be a testament to humanity's courage, curiosity, and commitment to the future. In the end, Mars is more than a destination. It is a profound expression of humanity's enduring quest for knowledge and understanding. The journey to Mars will shape the future in ways we cannot yet predict, inspiring generations to think beyond their immediate surroundings, to look to the stars, and to imagine a future filled with discovery and connection. Mars invites us to dream, to challenge ourselves, and to reach for a universe that is as vast and extraordinary as our own aspirations. The red planet awaits, silent and enigmatic, holding secrets that may redefine our understanding of life, our universe, and our place within it. With every mission, every discovery, and every step taken on its surface, Mars brings us closer to a future where the stars are within our reach. Humanity stands ready to embark on this journey, a journey that will forever change who we are and what we are capable of. Mars is calling, and in answering that call, we embrace a future that stretches beyond our imaginations, a future that is as boundless and inspiring as the cosmos itself. As we approach the brink of human exploration on Mars, the journey itself becomes a profound statement of our collective ambition, resilience, and desire to transcend the familiar. Mars, once a distant vision in our night sky, is now within our reach. This journey represents not only a monumental scientific and technological undertaking, but also a redefinition of what it means to be human. It calls us to embrace a sense of wonder, to expand our capacity for innovation, and to confront the unknown with a spirit of courage and unity. The challenges that lie ahead on Mars are unlike any humanity has ever faced. Yet these obstacles are also catalysts for new levels of ingenuity and cooperation. To survive on Mars, we must not only build shelters and systems that can withstand its extreme environment, but also create a way of life that fosters both individual and community resilience. Every aspect of Martian life, from food production to communication, demands creative solutions that draw on the best of our scientific and social understanding. These challenges will stretch our capabilities, teaching us to live in ways that are efficient, mindful, and interconnected. In this way, Mars becomes both a testing ground and a learning environment, where each innovation brings us closer to a future defined by sustainable and adaptable living. Living on Mars will be a transformative experience for those who make the journey. The settlers will not only be explorers, but also the first ambassadors of Earth on a new world. Their experiences will form the foundation of Martian society, shaping traditions, customs, and values that reflect the challenges and uniqueness of Martian life. Over time, a new Martian culture may emerge, one that celebrates resourcefulness, unity, and respect for the planet's resources. These settlers will develop a deep sense of kinship with each other, bonded by the shared mission of survival and discovery. This collective identity may foster a culture that values cooperation over competition, where the success of the group is prioritized over individual gain. In this way, Mars offers the possibility of a society built on principles of collaboration, where each person's contributions are essential to the greater good. The experience of isolation on Mars will also redefine our understanding of connection and community. Communication with Earth will be delayed, sometimes by as much as 24 minutes each way, forcing Martian settlers to develop a sense of self-reliance and autonomy. They will rely on each other, building a tightly knit community where interpersonal relationships are crucial for mental and emotional well-being. This forced separation from Earth may lead Martian settlers to form deep bonds, creating a new social fabric that is both resilient and adaptable. At the same time, this distance will prompt Earth-based communities to innovate in ways that bridge the physical gap, from AI-driven virtual reality interactions to immersive, real-time communication technologies. These advancements will benefit not only Mars settlers, but also people on Earth, particularly those in remote or isolated locations. Mars will also become a focal point for education, inspiring a new generation of thinkers, scientists, and creators. The journey to Mars and the challenges of life there will become an integral part of human history and culture, sparking interest in fields like space science, engineering, and planetary ethics. Children born in the era of Mars exploration will grow up with a new awareness of humanity's potential, learning about the scientific principles and ethical considerations that underpin life on another planet. They may see Mars not as a distant concept, but as a tangible reality, one that represents the pinnacle of human achievement and the promise of future exploration. This shift in perspective could inspire young minds to pursue paths that contribute to the ongoing journey, fostering a legacy of curiosity, innovation, and stewardship for generations to come. One of the most profound implications of Mars exploration is the potential discovery of life, or signs of past life, on the Red Planet. The search for life on Mars is more than a scientific quest. It is a question that touches on the very nature of existence. If life, even microbial, is found on Mars, it would suggest that life is not unique to Earth, fundamentally altering our understanding of biology and the potential for life across the cosmos. This discovery would challenge us to rethink our definitions of life and force us to confront questions about our place in a universe that may be teeming with diverse forms of existence. Alternatively, if Mars is found to be completely devoid of life, it will underscore the preciousness of life on Earth, reinforcing our responsibility to protect and cherish the unique conditions that support it. The environmental conditions on Mars also offer scientists a rare opportunity to study planetary processes in a new context. Mars geology, atmosphere, and history provide clues about the evolution of terrestrial planets, helping us understand the factors that made Earth hospitable to life. By studying Mars, we gain insights into the possible futures of planets like our own, learning how climate, atmosphere, and surface conditions interact over billions of years. These discoveries will deepen our understanding of Earth's past and future, enhancing our ability to predict and possibly mitigate the effects of climate change and other global challenges. In many ways, Mars exploration invites us to think about the future of our species. What does it mean to extend human life beyond Earth? How might the challenges of Mars transform human evolution over generations? As humans adapt to life on Mars, they may undergo subtle physical and psychological changes that better suit them for survival on the Red Planet. Over time, Martian settlers could develop unique traits, perhaps even genetic adaptations, that reflect their environment. This possibility raises profound questions about the long-term trajectory of human evolution and what it might mean to be human in a future where people live and thrive across multiple worlds. Mars exploration also embodies a spirit of ethical reflection. As we take our first steps on another planet, we are faced with the responsibility of ensuring that our actions align with principles of respect and preservation. The idea of terraforming, altering Mars to make it more Earth-like, is a compelling concept, but one that requires careful consideration. Should we transform Mars to suit our needs, or should we adapt to its existing environment? These ethical considerations prompt us to rethink our role as explorers, moving beyond conquest to a philosophy of responsible stewardship. This approach could set a new standard for how humanity approaches not only Mars but all future endeavors in space, fostering a legacy of respect, care, and humility. Ultimately, Mars is an invitation to imagine the future, a future where humanity is not confined to one planet, but is spread across the solar system, carrying with it the values, knowledge, and dreams that define us. As we step onto Martian soil, we begin a journey that transcends the boundaries of Earth, reaching into the depths of the cosmos. Mars is the first chapter in a story of interplanetary life, a story that will unfold over generations and shape the course of human history. In reaching for Mars, we are not merely exploring a new world. We are exploring the full potential of humanity. Each mission, each discovery, each step forward brings us closer to a future where Mars is a thriving extension of human civilization, a place where life endures and adapts, where new communities flourish, and where the spirit of discovery is alive and well. Mars is a challenge, a mystery, and a promise, a place that beckons us to dream beyond the boundaries of Earth and to build a future worthy of our highest aspirations. As we prepare for this journey, Mars stands as both a reminder and a promise. It reminds us of our capacity to imagine, to innovate, and to unite. It promises a future where humanity's reach is as boundless as our curiosity, where our understanding of life, culture, and knowledge extends across planets. Mars awaits, silent and vast, ready to reveal its secrets to those who dare to venture into its depths. Mars is not just a destination. It is the next great step in humanity's journey toward understanding, unity, and exploration. With each stride forward, we carry with us the hopes, dreams, and determination of countless generations. The Red Planet calls us to a new beginning, an era where humanity becomes a part of the cosmos itself. This journey to Mars will redefine us, not only as explorers, but as stewards of life, seekers of truth, and creators of a future that stretches beyond the stars. In answering the call of Mars, we embrace a future that is limitless, a future where humanity's reach knows no bounds, and where our story continues among the stars. Mars awaits, and humanity is ready to embark on the greatest adventure of all time, a journey that will echo through the ages and mark the dawn of a new chapter in the human saga. The journey ahead stands as a profound symbol of ambition, resilience, and unity, a testament to our drive to reach beyond the familiar and to shape the unknown. Each new stride in this journey to Mars brings with it the promise of a future that redefines not only our relationship with the cosmos, but also the very nature of what it means to be human. Mars represents a unique convergence of science, philosophy, and culture. It is not just a barren rock in space, but a place where humanity will wrestle with questions of survival, adaptation, and identity in a profoundly new context. Mars forces us to ask how we might build a sustainable society in an environment so starkly different from Earth's lush landscapes. Every decision, from the design of habitats to the cultivation of food, will echo with the lessons of Earth's history and the hopes of a new Martian society. This balance between innovation and heritage will define the lives of those who call Mars home, setting a model for how we might extend our civilization across worlds. One of the most remarkable aspects of this journey is the sheer depth of preparation required. Every detail, from spacecraft durability to the precise makeup of Martian soil, demands exhaustive research and forethought. We must consider everything from basic survival needs to the psychological well-being of settlers. Advanced simulations, virtual reality training, and meticulously constructed habitats on Earth are preparing astronauts and scientists to anticipate the unknown challenges they will face. These efforts underscore the complexity and gravity of creating a life on another world and highlight the human capacity for planning, collaboration, and adaptability. As the journey progresses, Mars will come to symbolize resilience in ways that go beyond physical survival. Settlers will live in isolated colonies, facing immense challenges that demand unparalleled levels of teamwork and personal sacrifice. The shared experience of working, living, and growing together on Mars will forge a unique community spirit, one that values cooperation and resilience above all. These Martian communities may become models of unity, where individuals must rely on each other not just for survival, but for mental and emotional support. The bonds formed on Mars could deepen our understanding of community and the power of shared purpose, inspiring new ideas about how humans might build cohesive societies, even in the most challenging conditions. In this environment, Martian culture will likely evolve in fascinating ways. Isolated from the rhythms and luxuries of Earth, settlers may cultivate new traditions and values that reflect the rigors and beauty of life on Mars. Martian society may prioritize resourcefulness, ingenuity, and mutual support, and it is possible that over generations, these values will solidify into unique cultural practices and beliefs. Artists, musicians, and storytellers will interpret Mars' otherworldly landscapes, creating art that is shaped by the planet's stark beauty and alien horizons. Over time, Martian society might develop its own narratives, myths, and legends, woven from the collective experience of exploring and surviving on a distant planet. Education on Mars will also take on new dimensions, shaped by the unique challenges of life on another planet. Children born on Mars will be taught not only about Earth's history, but also about Mars' ancient landscapes, climate cycles, and geology. They may grow up with a dual heritage, seeing themselves as both Earthlings and Martians, connected to two worlds yet uniquely suited to the one they call home. Education may emphasize skills in environmental science, engineering, and resource management, fostering a generation of explorers who see problem-solving and adaptability as central to their identity. The culture of education on Mars could nurture a mindset of curiosity, adaptability, and respect for both planets, offering Earth a new generation of thinkers inspired by their Martian heritage. The development of Martian society will also prompt us to rethink governance and law. Mars settlers will be confronted with unprecedented challenges in creating fair and effective systems of governance that can address the specific needs of their community. Will Mars follow Earth-based laws, or will settlers forge a new framework that reflects their unique environment and values? This question invites a broader reflection on human governance, ethics, and the nature of freedom in a spacefaring society. The process of establishing governance on Mars may lead to innovative systems that prioritize equity, accountability, and sustainability, principles that could inspire Earth's own future governance. On Mars, the very concept of humanity may begin to evolve. In an environment that requires adaptation to unfamiliar challenges, Martian settlers might develop physical and psychological traits that reflect their new world. Lower gravity, increased exposure to radiation, and the demands of a harsh climate could lead to subtle, gradual changes in human physiology over generations. Such adaptations might make future Martian generations distinct in ways that we are only beginning to imagine. These changes raise questions about how humanity might diversify and adapt as we settle new worlds, giving rise to a deeper understanding of human evolution in a cosmic context. Mars also stands as a canvas for philosophical inquiry, as humanity's presence on another planet raises profound questions about existence and purpose. How do we ethically interact with an alien environment? What responsibilities do we carry as stewards of a new world? These questions are rooted in a respect for the unknown and a humility in the face of vast, untouched landscapes. For some, Mars may evoke a sense of awe and reverence, encouraging a new philosophy of exploration that values preservation and respect as much as discovery and expansion. This approach could lay the groundwork for a legacy of responsible exploration, not only on Mars but throughout the cosmos. At its core, the journey to Mars invites humanity to embrace a new perspective on life, unity, and sustainability. The innovations and discoveries that arise from this mission will ripple back to Earth, shaping advancements in energy production, waste recycling, and water conservation. Mars forces us to consider new ways of living in harmony with limited resources, and these lessons may well inspire a shift toward more sustainable practices on Earth. By learning to survive on Mars, humanity gains the tools to create a more resilient, resourceful society on our home planet, cultivating an ethic of conservation that benefits all. The vision of humanity as an interplanetary species also compels us to think long-term, to consider our future not just in the next century, but across millennia. Mars is a crucial step in a larger journey, a stepping stone to the stars. If we succeed on Mars, we may one day look toward the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, or even further, to explore planets orbiting distant stars. Mars is the foundation upon which humanity will build its future in space, a training ground for the skills and courage needed to explore beyond our solar system. The drive to explore, to seek knowledge, and to push boundaries is intrinsic to human nature, and Mars is where this spirit finds its next great expression. Mars is not just a scientific milestone or an engineering challenge. It is a vision of what humanity can achieve when united by a common goal. In pursuing this dream, we honor the legacy of explorers who have ventured into the unknown, and we pave the way for future generations to continue the journey. Mars represents a new chapter in our shared story, a story of resilience, curiosity, and boundless possibility. It is a place where humanity's greatest qualities, our creativity, courage, and unity, are put to the ultimate test. In answering the call of Mars, we take our place among the stars, embracing a future where Earth is not our only home, but the first of many. Each step forward brings us closer to a world where Mars is not just a distant vision, but a thriving part of human civilization, a place where life flourishes, and where the story of humanity unfolds across worlds. The Red Planet beckons us to explore, to dream, and to build a future that reaches beyond the limits of Earth, extending into the vast, awe-inspiring depths of space. Mars awaits, silent yet full of promise, ready to reveal its secrets to those brave enough to seek them. As humanity stands on the brink of this new era, Mars becomes a symbol of hope, discovery, and unity, a testament to what we can achieve when we come together with purpose and vision. This journey to Mars is more than a mission. It is a defining moment in human history, a moment that will echo through generations and shape the future of life itself. In reaching for Mars, we affirm our commitment to a future that transcends the limits of our world, a future where humanity's story continues among the stars. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to embark on an adventure that will forever change who we are, what we are capable of, and where we belong in the vast expanse of the universe. This journey has become more than a quest for exploration. It's a declaration of our shared ambition to extend life beyond Earth, transforming the impossible into reality. Mars is not just a destination, but a testament to human resilience, curiosity, and unity. The Red Planet calls to us, inviting us to reimagine what our future could hold and what it means to thrive in the unknown. The journey to Mars represents a pioneering spirit unlike any in history, and the scale of preparation is unprecedented. Scientists, engineers, and thinkers from every corner of the world are contributing to an enormous pool of knowledge, each discovery and breakthrough bringing us closer to the surface of Mars. This journey exemplifies humanity's remarkable ability to work across borders and disciplines, uniting in purpose and vision. The technologies we develop to support life on Mars, from renewable energy systems to advanced food production methods, will bring innovations that ripple back to Earth, creating more sustainable ways of living and solving critical challenges here at home. Mars will test us in ways that we are only beginning to comprehend. Settling Mars demands complete self-reliance and sustainable systems that are unlike anything we have on Earth. Food, water, and oxygen must be produced locally, meaning that every aspect of Martian life will be an experiment in efficient, closed-loop systems. These advancements could serve as models for Earth's own shift towards sustainability, providing insights into waste management, renewable energy, and environmental stewardship. Mars settlers will live with a heightened awareness of resource limitations, creating a society that values every drop of water and every breath of air. This level of resourcefulness may inspire a culture that is more attuned to the natural cycles of life, embracing a philosophy of conservation and balance that reflects the planet's stark beauty. The psychological demands of life on Mars will be equally profound. In isolation from Earth and cut off from familiar landscapes, Martian settlers will face new frontiers in mental and emotional resilience. The experience of separation and solitude on another planet will necessitate innovative approaches to mental health, from virtual reality systems that simulate Earth's natural environments to new forms of communication that bridge the vast distance between planets. This focus on mental well-being and emotional support will likely transform our understanding of community and connection, fostering a deep sense of interdependence among settlers. The psychological adaptations developed for Mars could have far-reaching applications on Earth, enhancing support for individuals in remote or extreme conditions. The experience of raising children on Mars will open new chapters in human evolution and culture. These children will grow up in an environment defined by exploration, resilience, and unity. They will carry a dual planetary identity, seeing Earth as a place of heritage and Mars as their home. Education on Mars will blend Earth's history with Mars' unique geology and climate, fostering an understanding that transcends planetary boundaries. These young Martians will grow up with a unique perspective on life, learning values of adaptability, sustainability, and community, and their experience may inspire a new sense of unity and responsibility on Earth. They will see themselves as the pioneers of an interplanetary future, carrying forward a legacy of discovery and possibility. Mars will also offer unparalleled scientific opportunities, transforming how we understand planetary evolution and life's potential in the universe. The planet's ancient landscapes hold clues about its watery past, and studying Mars' geology, climate, and atmosphere will deepen our knowledge of Earth's own evolution. If evidence of past or present life is found on Mars, it would represent a seismic shift in our understanding of biology, suggesting that life could emerge across the cosmos under a range of conditions. Such a discovery would challenge our philosophical frameworks and expand our perspective on life's diversity and resilience. Alternatively, if Mars proves to be lifeless, it will reinforce our responsibility to protect Earth's ecosystems and the unique conditions that support life. The creation of Martian governance systems will redefine concepts of freedom, responsibility, and autonomy. As settlers establish communities on Mars, they will face the challenge of creating laws and systems of governance that reflect the realities of their environment. Unlike Earth's established governments, Martian society will have the opportunity to experiment with governance models that prioritize cooperation, transparency, and accountability. These new frameworks could offer a fresh perspective on governance, inspiring systems that value equity and sustainability over competition and resource exploitation. In this way, Mars may serve as a laboratory for social innovation, offering insights that inform Earth's own future governance. The long-term physical adaptations of life on Mars may also redefine humanity's evolution. Mars' low gravity, high radiation levels, and other unique environmental factors will impact human physiology in ways we are only beginning to explore. Over generations, settlers may develop new physical and biological traits, reflecting a distinct adaptation to Martian conditions. These changes could lead to a branching of human evolution, creating a future where Martian humans are distinct yet still connected to their earthly heritage. This adaptation would challenge our concepts of human identity, reminding us of the vast adaptability and resilience of our species. Mars exploration also opens the door to a new philosophy of exploration, one rooted in respect, preservation, and mutual coexistence. As we expand into space, Mars offers a chance to redefine exploration as a partnership with the cosmos rather than a conquest. This approach may foster a philosophy of space stewardship, where humanity acts as a careful guardian of the worlds it encounters. This perspective could shape how we approach the search for life, the transformation of Martian environments, and the ethical implications of altering another planet. As humanity reaches out to Mars, this ethos of respect and balance may set a precedent for all future space exploration. Mars is also a beacon of inspiration for future generations. The journey to Mars will ignite imaginations, sparking a wave of creativity, art, and storytelling. Writers, filmmakers, and artists have long depicted Mars as a frontier of possibility, and the reality of Martian exploration will undoubtedly fuel new stories that celebrate human resilience and wonder. These stories will shape how we understand and remember this journey, creating a narrative of courage and unity that will inspire generations to come. As we stand on the brink of becoming a multiplanetary species, Mars compels us to think long-term, to envision a future where humanity thrives across worlds. Mars will be the first, but it will not be the last. The technologies and knowledge gained from Mars exploration will prepare us for journeys to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and even further, to distant star systems. Mars is the beginning of a new era, a training ground for humanity's expansion into the cosmos. This journey is an affirmation of our drive to explore, to question, and to seek understanding in every corner of the universe. Mars is more than a scientific milestone. It is a promise of what humanity can achieve when united in purpose and vision. The Red Planet represents a future where Earth is no longer humanity's only home, where our civilization extends across the stars. This journey embodies our collective hope, resilience, and aspiration to reach beyond our limitations, to create a world where the unknown becomes a part of who we are. In answering the call of Mars, we take the first step in a journey that will redefine our place in the cosmos. The challenges and triumphs of this journey will echo across generations, inspiring a legacy of exploration, unity, and boundless possibility. Mars invites us to imagine, to discover, and to create a future that transcends the confines of Earth, a future where humanity's story unfolds across planets. Mars awaits, silent yet filled with promise, calling us to build, to learn, and to dream. The journey to Mars is a defining moment, one that will forever change who we are and what we are capable of. With each step forward, we carry with us the dreams and determination of countless generations. Mars is our next great journey, a journey that will shape the future of life itself and usher humanity into a new era among the stars. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future that is as vast and limitless as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to venture into the unknown, to embrace the challenges, and to shape a future that reflects the highest aspirations of the human spirit. The Red Planet stands as a symbol of hope, unity, and discovery, a testament to the unyielding drive that has propelled humanity forward for millennia. Mars is not just a destination. It is the beginning of an extraordinary journey, one that will echo through history and inspire the explorers of tomorrow. This journey toward Mars, the Red Planet, is fast becoming a symbol of transformation, a place where humanity will redefine the boundaries of exploration, survival, and what it means to truly expand our civilization. Mars challenges us to reach beyond mere existence, to imagine a future where human ingenuity and resilience flourish under conditions we once thought impossible. Each step we take toward Mars reflects our collective desire to grow, adapt, and forge a new chapter in human history. The journey to Mars represents a monumental convergence of human effort and imagination. Engineers, scientists, artists, and philosophers alike are coming together, each contributing their expertise and passion to solve the immense challenges ahead. This convergence of minds from around the world underscores a powerful truth. Mars is not just for any one nation or group. It is for all of humanity. As we venture toward Mars, we carry with us not only the technical knowledge needed to thrive, but also the dreams, stories, and aspirations of every culture on Earth. Mars unites us in purpose, creating a shared legacy that honors our past while boldly stepping into the future. Preparing for life on Mars requires us to build sustainable systems that can operate autonomously with limited reliance on Earth. This focus on sustainability and efficiency will not only support life on Mars, but could also transform life on Earth. The systems developed to recycle water, produce oxygen, and grow food in closed-loop environments could revolutionize how we approach sustainability on our home planet, especially in urban areas facing resource scarcity. Mars becomes, in essence, a model for living within planetary limits, a powerful reminder that our resources are finite and must be used responsibly, whether on Earth or Mars. As settlers establish life on Mars, they will create a society defined by adaptability, resilience, and collaboration. In such an extreme environment, every person's role will be crucial, fostering a deep sense of purpose and interdependence. Unlike on Earth, where individualism often prevails, Martian settlers will experience a heightened awareness of their connection to the community. This new society will likely emphasize mutual support, resourcefulness, and cooperation, as these qualities will be essential for survival. These values could lead to a distinctive Martian identity, one that celebrates the strength found in unity and the ability to adapt to whatever challenges arise. This adaptation to Mars will shape not only the individuals who settle there, but also future generations born on the Red Planet. Children raised on Mars will grow up with a dual planetary heritage, inheriting Earth's rich history while living in an environment that demands innovation and resilience. For them, Mars will be more than just a home. It will be a place that represents the human spirit's capacity to overcome adversity and embrace the unknown. This Martian generation may see themselves as both Earthlings and Martians, uniquely positioned to bridge two worlds and carry forward a legacy of exploration and ingenuity. These young Martians will represent the dawn of a new era, a future where humanity's story unfolds across planets. The science conducted on Mars will also deepen our understanding of planetary evolution, geology, and the potential for life beyond Earth. By examining Martian landscapes, ancient riverbeds, and the planet's subsurface, scientists hope to unlock clues about Mars' past, specifically its ancient climate and whether it could have supported life. Discovering signs of past life, or even current microbial life, would be one of the most profound discoveries in history, suggesting that life might arise wherever conditions permit. This revelation would reshape our understanding of biology, challenging us to rethink life's potential across the universe and redefining humanity's place within it. Even if Mars is found to be entirely lifeless, the knowledge we gain from exploring its barren surface will help us appreciate the unique and fragile ecosystems that exist on Earth. The journey to Mars also brings with it profound philosophical questions. As humanity expands into space, we must ask ourselves what responsibilities we carry as custodians of new worlds. How should we approach the transformation of another planet? And what ethical considerations come into play when we alter an environment to suit human needs? The concept of terraforming Mars is compelling, yet it raises ethical dilemmas about preserving the planet's natural state. Should Mars remain untouched, a testament to the solar system's history, or should it be transformed to support human life? These questions force us to confront the balance between exploration and preservation, leading us to consider what it truly means to be responsible stewards of the cosmos. The isolation of life on Mars will prompt settlers to forge a new kind of social structure, one that reflects the challenges of an interplanetary society. Unlike on Earth, where cultural, national, and economic divisions often define our communities, Martian society will be built from the ground up, united by shared goals and common survival. Governance on Mars will likely need to be flexible, transparent, and adaptive, creating systems that reflect the needs and values of its residents. These new approaches to law, justice, and governance could provide insights into how humanity might create fairer, more cohesive societies on Earth, guided by principles that prioritize equity, sustainability, and collaboration. This unprecedented journey will also inspire a wave of cultural expression, stories, music, art, and mythology, shaped by the unique experience of life on Mars. Artists will capture Mars' austere landscapes. Musicians will compose melodies inspired by the planet's silence and isolation, and writers will craft stories of courage, adventure, and unity. These creative expressions will help humanity understand and relate to Mars, bridging the emotional and cultural distance between Earth and our new home. The Red Planet will become a source of inspiration, influencing generations of creators to envision a world where humanity's reach extends to the stars. As humanity establishes a foothold on Mars, the sense of time itself will shift. With a Martian day lasting just over 24 hours and a year nearly twice as long as Earth's, settlers will live in a rhythm that is both familiar and distinctly Martian. The concept of time on Mars may eventually diverge from Earth's, leading to a new calendar, new traditions, and new ways of marking life's milestones. This adaptation will be a reminder of how deeply our lives are shaped by the environment we inhabit and how, on Mars, humanity may create new rituals, celebrations, and customs that reflect the realities of another world. Mars will also teach us about the resilience of the human body and mind. Living in low gravity, exposed to radiation, and facing extreme environmental conditions, Martian settlers will need to adapt to a lifestyle that challenges their physical and mental limits. Over generations, these conditions may lead to subtle evolutionary changes, creating a uniquely Martian branch of humanity. This evolution would be a testament to the adaptability of life, showing how our species can endure and thrive in radically different environments. It would also deepen our understanding of human biology, offering insights into how life itself can be resilient, adaptable, and endlessly resourceful. In the end, Mars represents the next step in humanity's journey toward becoming a spacefaring species. It is the beginning of a vision that extends far beyond our solar system, setting the stage for explorations that may one day reach distant stars. The technologies, philosophies, and societies we build on Mars will be our foundation for journeys to the moons of Jupiter, the icy worlds of the Kuiper Belt, and the vast expanses beyond. Mars is not the final destination, but the first chapter in a much larger story, one where humanity transcends its origins and becomes a part of the cosmos itself. The call to Mars is more than a scientific mission or a feat of engineering. It is a profound expression of hope, ambition, and unity. Mars represents the endless possibilities that await those who dare to dream, to innovate, and to push beyond the limits of what is known. This journey embodies humanity's deepest aspirations, reminding us of the courage and resilience that define us and guiding us toward a future where our potential is boundless. As we take each step closer to Mars, we carry forward a legacy of exploration that has defined humanity for generations. We bring with us the stories, knowledge, and values that have shaped our journey thus far, honoring the past as we look toward the infinite possibilities of the future. Mars is our next great adventure, a journey that will forever change who we are and what we believe is possible. Mars awaits, silent yet inviting, a world that promises discovery, challenge, and the beginning of a new era for humanity. This journey to Mars will define us, not just as explorers, but as dreamers, as builders, as a species united in purpose. Mars calls us to embrace the unknown, to build a future among the stars, and to forge a story that reaches beyond Earth, carrying humanity's legacy into the vastness of space. In answering Mars' call, we take our place among the stars, extending humanity's reach and transforming our world into a universe of endless horizons. Mars is not just a new world. It is the next step in an extraordinary journey that will echo through the ages, marking the dawn of humanity's place among the stars. As humanity prepares to take the monumental leap to Mars, the Red Planet becomes more than just a scientific or exploratory goal. It stands as a new frontier for our civilization, a place where human resilience, unity, and creativity will be put to the ultimate test. Mars represents the culmination of generations of curiosity and ambition, as well as the beginning of a new era in which humanity becomes a true spacefaring species. Each step closer to Mars transforms our understanding of what is possible, pushing us to expand the boundaries of our knowledge, technology, and collective spirit. The journey to Mars is a testament to our shared humanity and our capacity for collaboration. To reach Mars, we have transcended geographical, political, and cultural boundaries, uniting scientists, engineers, artists, and dreamers from around the world. This journey demands the expertise and dedication of countless individuals, each contributing their unique insights to solve the immense challenges ahead. In doing so, Mars has become a global endeavor, a mission that symbolizes what humanity can achieve when we come together with a shared vision. This spirit of collaboration will not only propel us to Mars, but will also reshape our approach to future challenges on Earth, fostering a culture of unity and innovation. Life on Mars will redefine our concept of home and reshape our relationship with Earth. Settlers on Mars will create a new way of life, one rooted in self-sufficiency and sustainable practices that are essential for survival on an alien planet. Every aspect of Martian existence, from water recycling to food cultivation, will be a lesson in efficiency and conservation, fostering a mindset that values balance and sustainability. This way of life could inspire a shift in perspective on Earth, encouraging more sustainable practices and an appreciation for the resources we often take for granted. In this way, Mars becomes both a laboratory for sustainability and a mirror that reflects the need for responsible stewardship of our own planet. The isolation of Martian life will forge a new kind of social fabric, one based on deep interdependence and shared purpose. The settlers who brave Mars' harsh conditions will be bound by a collective responsibility to one another, creating a society that values cooperation, resilience, and mutual support. These close-knit Martian communities will serve as models of unity and empathy, reminding us that survival and success on Mars depends on the strength of the collective. This new social dynamic will challenge traditional notions of individuality and autonomy, replacing them with an ethos of shared responsibility that prioritizes the well-being of the entire community. The development of Martian culture will also be a unique and transformative process. Cut off from Earth's established customs and traditions, Martian settlers will begin to create new rituals, celebrations, and ways of life that reflect their distinct environment. Art, music, and storytelling will evolve to capture the beauty and challenges of life on Mars, creating a cultural identity that is both inspired by Earth and uniquely Martian. Over time, this Martian culture will come to embody the spirit of exploration and adaptability, serving as a testament to humanity's ability to thrive in even the most extreme environments. This evolution of Martian society will be a living example of humanity's capacity for growth, adaptation, and reinvention. Children born and raised on Mars will embody a new chapter in human history, representing the first generation to call another planet home. Their education will blend knowledge of Earth with the unique realities of Martian life, fostering a dual planetary identity that transcends the boundaries of a single world. These young Martians will grow up with an innate understanding of resilience, adaptability, and sustainability, qualities that are essential for life on Mars. They will see themselves not just as Earthlings, but as pioneers of an interplanetary civilization, carrying forward a legacy of exploration that began on Earth and extends into the cosmos. Mars will also be a place of profound scientific discovery, offering insights into planetary evolution, geology, and the potential for life beyond Earth. By studying Mars' ancient landscapes, scientists hope to uncover clues about the planet's past climate and its capacity to support life. The discovery of microbial life, or the evidence of its past existence, would be a groundbreaking revelation, fundamentally reshaping our understanding of biology and the potential for life across the universe. This would challenge humanity to expand its concept of life, pushing us to consider the vast possibilities of existence beyond our own world. Even if Mars is found to be lifeless, the knowledge we gain will deepen our appreciation for Earth's unique ecosystems and reinforce the importance of preserving them. The ethical implications of life on Mars are profound and far-reaching. As we contemplate transforming the Martian environment to support human life, we are faced with questions about the rights of planets and ecosystems untouched by human influence. Should we preserve Mars in its natural state, respecting it as an unaltered record of solar system history? Or should we prioritize human survival, reshaping Mars to make it more hospitable? These questions force us to consider our responsibilities as explorers and stewards, leading us to rethink the ethical dimensions of planetary colonization. Mars offers humanity a chance to approach exploration with a sense of humility and respect, establishing principles that will guide our interactions with other worlds. Governance on Mars will be a new frontier in itself, presenting an opportunity to reimagine systems of law, justice, and community structure. Martian society will likely develop governance models that reflect its unique challenges and values, emphasizing transparency, accountability, and collective responsibility. This approach to governance could serve as a powerful example for Earth, offering insights into how communities can create fair and effective systems that prioritize the well-being of all. Martian governance may ultimately inspire a shift toward more equitable and sustainable models of leadership on Earth, guided by principles of unity, adaptability, and shared purpose. The physical and psychological demands of Martian life will also lead to new understandings of human resilience. Living in an environment with low gravity, limited resources, and high radiation will push the boundaries of human adaptation, potentially leading to gradual physiological changes over generations. These adaptations could create a unique Martian branch of humanity, one that is physically and culturally distinct, yet deeply connected to its earthly origins. This evolution would highlight humanity's capacity to endure and adapt, demonstrating the resilience of life in the face of the unknown. As humanity establishes a foothold on Mars, we will also redefine our relationship with the cosmos. Mars is the first step in a journey that will take us beyond our solar system, toward new worlds and new possibilities. The lessons we learn on Mars, the technologies we develop, the societies we build, the philosophies we adopt, will be our foundation for exploring the universe. Mars will serve as our launch pad to the stars, preparing us for journeys to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and eventually to exoplanets orbiting distant suns. The drive to explore and expand is intrinsic to our nature, and Mars is where this spirit finds its next great expression. Mars inspires not only scientists and engineers, but also artists, writers, and philosophers, sparking a renaissance of creativity that envisions the future of humanity among the stars. The stories we tell about Mars, of courage, discovery, and resilience, will shape our understanding of this journey, creating a narrative that transcends generations. These stories will remind us that Mars is more than a scientific goal. It is a symbol of our shared potential, a place where human ingenuity meets the mysteries of the cosmos. Ultimately, Mars is a beacon of hope and possibility. It calls us to imagine a future where Earth is not our only home, where humanity has expanded its reach to new worlds and new horizons. This journey to Mars represents the best of humanity, our curiosity, our resilience, our capacity for wonder. It is a journey that speaks to our deepest aspirations, a journey that will redefine who we are and what we believe we can achieve. In answering the call of Mars, we take our place among the stars, extending our civilization beyond the boundaries of Earth and embracing the cosmos as our next frontier. Mars is more than a planet. It is the next chapter in humanity's story, a story that spans worlds and reaches into the infinite. With each step we take toward Mars, we carry with us the dreams, knowledge, and hope of all who came before us, honoring our shared legacy as we look toward the vastness of the universe. Mars awaits, silent and profound, ready to reveal its secrets to those who dare to seek them. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a new beginning that will shape the future of humanity itself. We stand on the threshold of an extraordinary adventure, one that will echo through history and inspire generations to come. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future where the stars are within our grasp, where humanity's story unfolds across the cosmos, and where our potential is as boundless as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to dream, to explore, and to create a future worthy of our highest aspirations. This journey is the start of something extraordinary, a journey that will forever change our place in the universe and leave a legacy of hope, unity, and discovery among the stars. Mars beckons not just as a destination, but as the dawn of a transformative era. This journey is more than a scientific achievement or an engineering marvel. It represents a profound leap forward in our evolution as a species, a chance to redefine our place in the cosmos and to create a legacy that will echo across generations. Mars calls us to step beyond the familiar, to venture into the unknown, and to forge a future that expands the very concept of human civilization. The mission to Mars embodies humanity's boundless curiosity and drive to overcome challenges. Reaching Mars requires a level of innovation and cooperation unprecedented in our history. Space agencies, private companies, and scientific communities from around the globe are working together, driven by a shared vision of exploration and discovery. This collaboration is a testament to our ability to unite for a common purpose, transcending borders and differences to pursue something greater than ourselves. In this sense, Mars is more than a planet. It's a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we put aside our differences and work together toward a shared goal. Living on Mars will fundamentally transform our relationship with the environment, both on Mars and on Earth. Mars settlers will need to create self-sustaining systems to produce food, generate energy, and recycle air and water. Every resource on Mars will be precious, fostering a mindset that values conservation efficiency, and careful management. This new way of life may inspire us to rethink our approach to resource use on Earth, where the abundance we often take for granted has led to unsustainable consumption. By learning to live within the strict limitations of Mars, we may develop technologies and practices that could help us protect and preserve Earth's resources, embracing a more sustainable way of life that benefits both planets. The isolation of Mars will shape a new kind of society, one in which community bonds are essential for survival and well-being. On Mars, settlers will rely on one another in ways that go beyond what is familiar on Earth. They will face extreme challenges together, from the psychological effects of isolation to the demands of maintaining life support systems in an unforgiving environment. These shared experiences will create a sense of unity and purpose, forging communities that value mutual support, resilience, and trust. Mars society will be built on interdependence and collaboration, redefining the importance of human connection in a place where survival depends on the strength of the community. This profound sense of connection may give rise to a distinct Martian culture, one that reflects the unique experiences and challenges of life on another world. Martian settlers may create new traditions, rituals, and forms of expression that celebrate their resilience, adaptability, and ingenuity. Music, art, and storytelling will capture the essence of Martian life, interpreting the planet's austere landscapes and echoing the spirit of exploration. Over time, a Martian identity may emerge, one that honors the roots of Earth while embracing the frontier spirit of Mars. This cultural evolution will serve as a living testament to humanity's ability to adapt, creating a society that embodies the values of discovery, unity, and respect for the environment. The children born on Mars will be the first generation to grow up with a truly interplanetary perspective. For them, Mars will be home, and Earth will be a distant but cherished part of their heritage. These young Martians will carry forward the legacy of human exploration, growing up with an awareness of their unique role in history. Their education will emphasize adaptability, critical thinking, and environmental stewardship, preparing them to carry on the mission of discovery and resilience. These young pioneers will see themselves as citizens of the cosmos, embodying a dual identity that reflects both Earth's history and Mars' potential. They will be the bridge between two worlds, symbolizing humanity's expansion into the stars. The scientific discoveries on Mars will deepen our understanding of planetary evolution and the conditions necessary for life. Mars holds a record of its ancient climate, providing clues about how planets change over time. Studying Mars will help us understand the forces that shape planetary atmospheres, geology, and the potential for life. If we find evidence of past or present life on Mars, it will be a transformative moment, suggesting that life is not unique to Earth and that the cosmos may be more hospitable than we ever imagined. Even if Mars is found to be lifeless, the knowledge we gain will enhance our understanding of Earth's own evolution, offering insights into the processes that make life possible and highlighting the importance of preserving our own biosphere. The ethical considerations of Mars exploration invite us to reflect on our responsibilities as explorers. As we contemplate transforming the Martian environment to make it more hospitable, we must consider the long-term impact of our actions. Mars offers an opportunity to approach exploration with a sense of stewardship, respecting the natural history of another world. This sense of responsibility may shape our future interactions with other planets, guiding us toward an exploration philosophy that prioritizes preservation and respect. Mars becomes a proving ground not just for technology, but for our values, challenging us to build a legacy of ethical exploration that will shape humanity's future in space. The development of governance on Mars will be an experiment in creating fair and effective systems in a radically different environment. Martian settlers will need governance structures that reflect their unique challenges, prioritizing transparency, adaptability, and community well-being. This new approach to governance could inspire fresh ideas on Earth, offering models that prioritize the needs of all members of society and foster unity. Mars governance may be built on principles of collaboration and collective responsibility, emphasizing the importance of fairness and equity in an environment where everyone's survival depends on cooperation. This evolution in governance could set a precedent for how humanity manages future societies across multiple worlds, guided by a commitment to justice, sustainability, and shared purpose. Mars also represents an unprecedented opportunity for creative expression, inspiring new stories, music, art, and philosophy that interpret the experience of life on another planet. Artists and writers will capture the awe and wonder of Mars, creating works that celebrate humanity's journey into the cosmos. These creative expressions will help bridge the emotional and cultural gap between Earth and Mars, fostering a sense of connection between the two worlds. Mars will become a canvas for human imagination, a place where the dreams of countless generations find expression in a new and profound way. These stories will shape how we understand and remember the journey to Mars, creating a narrative of exploration, resilience, and unity that will inspire future generations. In reaching Mars, humanity also takes its first step toward the stars. Mars is a training ground, preparing us for journeys that will take us beyond the solar system to new frontiers. The technologies and philosophies developed on Mars will be our foundation for exploring the cosmos, guiding us as we reach toward distant planets and, one day, other star systems. This journey to Mars is not an endpoint. It is the beginning of a future in which humanity becomes a part of the universe itself, spreading life and culture across the stars. Mars is the first chapter in a story of exploration that will span generations, a story that will redefine what it means to be human. The journey to Mars is an affirmation of humanity's highest qualities: our curiosity, our courage, our capacity for unity. It is a journey that invites us to imagine a future without limits, a future in which our reach extends to the farthest corners of the universe. In answering the call of Mars, we honor the legacy of explorers who came before us, carrying forward their spirit of adventure and discovery. Mars represents the best of what humanity can achieve when we unite in purpose, reaching beyond ourselves to build a future worthy of our dreams. As we take each step closer to Mars, we carry with us the hopes, knowledge, and resilience of countless generations. We bring with us the stories, values, and aspirations that have shaped our journey, honoring the past as we look toward the infinite possibilities of the future. Mars is not just a destination. It is the beginning of a new chapter, a journey that will forever change who we are and what we believe is possible. Mars awaits, silent yet filled with potential, ready to reveal its mysteries to those who dare to explore. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a point of transformation that will shape the future of humanity itself. We stand at the threshold of an extraordinary adventure, one that will echo across time and inspire generations to come. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future where the stars are within our grasp, where humanity's story unfolds across worlds, and where our potential is as limitless as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to dream, to build, and to create a future that reflects our highest aspirations. This journey is the start of something extraordinary, a journey that will forever change our place in the cosmos and leave a legacy of exploration, unity, and hope among the stars. Embodying both the promise of discovery and the spirit of exploration that has defined our species for millennia. Mars represents a bold step into the unknown, a journey that transcends boundaries and reshapes our understanding of ourselves, our world, and our place within the vast cosmos. This journey to Mars is not merely a scientific endeavor or a technological challenge. It is a philosophical and cultural leap forward, a chance to redefine the trajectory of human civilization. The path to Mars has unified people across disciplines, cultures, and generations, igniting a collaborative effort that transcends national interests. Engineers, scientists, artists, and visionaries from all corners of the globe have poured their creativity and expertise into solving the complex challenges of interplanetary travel. In this sense, Mars is already a testament to humanity's capacity to unite in pursuit of a shared goal. It stands as a symbol of global cooperation, a shining example of what we can achieve when we come together with a common vision. This unprecedented collaboration sets a powerful precedent for future challenges, reminding us that humanity's greatest accomplishments are those driven by a collective spirit. The journey to Mars will redefine the nature of life itself. To survive on a world that lacks Earth's natural resources, settlers will rely on closed-loop systems that recycle water, air, and waste with extreme efficiency. Mars will teach us to live within strict ecological limits, transforming our relationship with the environment and reshaping our approach to sustainability. These lessons, hard-earned on Mars, will ripple back to Earth, inspiring innovations that help us address resource challenges, combat climate change, and build a more resilient future. Mars becomes a testing ground for sustainable living, offering humanity a chance to learn, adapt, and develop practices that reflect a respect for finite resources. Whether on a distant planet or our home, the reality of isolation on Mars will shape an entirely new kind of human community, one where every individual is vital to the collective well-being. Unlike on Earth, where distances can easily separate us from one another, Martian settlers will live in close quarters, united by a shared mission and a mutual dependence that goes beyond choice. It will be a necessity. This extreme environment will nurture bonds of trust, resilience, and empathy, creating a society built on principles of cooperation and interdependence. Settlers will form deep connections, learning to rely on one another in ways that challenge traditional notions of individuality and self-sufficiency. Mars will foster a culture that values the strength of community, reminding us of the power of connection and shared purpose in the face of adversity. This sense of community may give rise to a distinct Martian culture, one that reflects the unique challenges, beauty, and spirit of life on another planet. Free from the established customs and institutions of Earth, Martian settlers will have the freedom and the necessity to forge new traditions that celebrate their resilience, adaptability, and courage. Art, music, and storytelling will evolve to capture the essence of Mars, interpreting the planet's stark landscapes, distant horizons, and profound silence. Over time, these expressions will form the basis of a Martian identity, a culture that honors Earth while embracing the pioneering spirit of a new world. This cultural evolution will serve as a testament to humanity's adaptability and creativity, offering future generations a glimpse of what it means to thrive in the most challenging of environments. Children born on Mars will carry forward this legacy of exploration, representing the first generation to call another planet home. They will grow up with an understanding of resilience, sustainability, and unity, values that will shape their worldview and guide them in their own endeavors. For these young Martians, Earth will be a distant yet integral part of their heritage, a place of origin, a connection to the past, and a source of inspiration. Their education will blend the knowledge of Earth with the unique demands of life on Mars, fostering a dual planetary perspective that will broaden their understanding of existence itself. These children will represent the dawn of a new era, embodying humanity's potential to thrive across worlds and inspiring future generations to carry the torch of exploration even further. Mars also offers humanity a profound opportunity for scientific discovery, a chance to answer fundamental questions about the origins of life and the processes that shape planetary evolution. By studying Mars' ancient geology, climate, and atmosphere, scientists hope to uncover clues about the planet's past, including whether it once harbored life. The discovery of even the smallest sign of past or present life on Mars would be one of the most transformative moments in human history, suggesting that life is not unique to Earth and that the universe may be more welcoming to life than we ever imagined. This revelation would challenge our understanding of biology, expanding our definition of life, and sparking new questions about our place in a universe filled with potential. Even if Mars is found to be lifeless, the knowledge we gain will deepen our appreciation for the conditions that make life possible on Earth. By exploring Mars, we learn not only about another world, but also about the fragility and preciousness of life on our own planet. Mars reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains ecosystems and emphasizes the importance of protecting the environments that support us. In this sense, the journey to Mars is as much about Earth as it is about space, a journey that enhances our connection to our own world and reinforces the need for responsible stewardship of our environment. Mars also challenges us to think deeply about ethics and responsibility. As we contemplate transforming Mars to make it more hospitable, we must consider the long-term impact of altering an alien environment. Do we have the right to change Mars for our own purposes? Or does the planet hold intrinsic value in its natural state? These ethical questions invite us to approach exploration with humility and respect, setting a standard of stewardship that will guide humanity's future interactions with other worlds. Mars offers an opportunity to establish principles of planetary protection, emphasizing the importance of preserving natural histories while also embracing humanity's drive to explore and expand. The development of governance on Mars will reflect the unique needs of an interplanetary society. Unlike Earth, where governance has been shaped by millennia of human history, Mars offers a blank slate, a chance to experiment with new models of justice, equity, and leadership. Martian society will require flexible, adaptive systems that prioritize transparency, fairness, and community welfare. This approach to governance may inspire fresh ideas for Earth, offering models that emphasize collaboration, sustainability, and collective responsibility. Mars governance will be built on the principles of mutual respect and shared purpose, creating a framework that values each individual's role in the success of the whole. Mars will also serve as a canvas for creative expression, inspiring a renaissance of art, literature, and philosophy that explores the profound experience of life on another planet. Writers, artists, and musicians will capture the awe and wonder of Mars, creating works that celebrate humanity's journey into the cosmos and the beauty of our expanded horizons. These creative expressions will bridge the emotional and cultural distance between Earth and Mars, fostering a sense of connection between the two worlds. Mars will become a wellspring of inspiration, offering humanity a new perspective that enriches our understanding of existence and our place in the universe. As we establish a foothold on Mars, we are also preparing for journeys that will take us even farther. Mars is the first step in a journey that will lead humanity beyond the solar system, to the icy moons of distant planets, and eventually to the stars themselves. The skills, knowledge, and philosophies developed on Mars will be our foundation for exploring the cosmos, guiding us as we reach toward new frontiers. Mars is the beginning of a new era, a training ground for humanity's expansion into the universe. This journey is not only about discovering other worlds. It is about becoming a part of a universe that is vast, mysterious, and filled with infinite possibilities. Mars is a beacon of hope and possibility, a symbol of humanity's highest qualities: our curiosity, our courage, and our unity. In answering the call of Mars, we affirm our commitment to a future where exploration knows no boundaries, a future where the stars are within our grasp. This journey represents the best of humanity, a journey that transcends individual goals and personal ambitions, uniting us in a shared vision of progress and discovery. As we stand on the threshold of Mars, we carry with us the dreams, knowledge, and resilience of countless generations. We bring with us the stories, values, and aspirations that have shaped our journey, honoring the past as we look toward the boundless possibilities of the future. Mars is not just a destination. It is the beginning of a new chapter, a journey that will forever change who we are and what we believe we can achieve. Mars awaits, silent yet filled with potential, ready to reveal its mysteries to those who dare to explore. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a turning point that will shape the future of humanity itself. We stand at the dawn of an extraordinary adventure, one that will echo across time and inspire generations to come. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future where humanity's story unfolds across worlds, where our aspirations expand beyond Earth, and where our potential is as vast as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to dream, to build, and to create a future that reflects the highest aspirations of the human spirit. This journey marks the beginning of something extraordinary, a journey that will forever change our place in the cosmos and leave a legacy of exploration, unity, and wonder among the stars. As we stand on the brink of the journey to Mars, this mission transcends its technical and scientific ambitions, embodying a vision of humanity's future as a multiplanetary species. Mars represents the beginning of a profound transformation, a step that will redefine the limits of our reach, the scope of our understanding, and the breadth of our legacy. This journey is both a challenge and an invitation, calling us to expand beyond the familiar and embrace a future filled with unknowns. Mars is not simply a distant goal. It is a new chapter in the human story. Reaching Mars requires a combination of courage, ingenuity, and resilience. The journey demands that we pioneer technologies and systems that will support human life in one of the harshest environments we have ever faced. From designing habitats that can withstand Martian radiation to developing life support systems that recycle air and water with near-perfect efficiency, each element of this mission reflects the ingenuity and perseverance that define humanity's spirit. These advancements will not only make life possible on Mars, but also revolutionize how we approach sustainability and conservation on Earth, creating new paths toward a more resourceful and resilient society. The isolation of Mars will require settlers to forge a society grounded in cooperation, trust, and shared purpose. On Earth, communities are often bound by shared geography, language, or culture, but Mars will bind its inhabitants through necessity. Each individual will play a critical role, and every contribution will be essential to the survival and success of the colony. This reliance on one another will foster a deep sense of unity and interdependence, giving rise to a Martian society that values collaboration and mutual support above all else. In this sense, Mars will not only test our technological prowess, but also our capacity to create meaningful, supportive communities in the most challenging of conditions. Life on Mars will inspire a unique culture that is shaped by the planet's extreme environment, its vast landscapes, and the pioneering spirit of its settlers. Freed from the traditions and institutions of Earth, Martian society will have the opportunity to create new customs, rituals, and forms of expression that reflect its distinct way of life. Art, music, and storytelling will evolve to capture the essence of Mars, interpreting the silence of its deserts, the grandeur of its valleys, and the beauty of its distant horizons. Over time, this cultural evolution will forge a unique Martian identity, one that is connected to Earth but proudly its own. This identity will celebrate resilience, adaptability, and unity, qualities that define the human spirit at its best. The children of Mars will embody this new era, representing the first generation to grow up on another planet. For them, Mars will not be a frontier, but a home. Their education will blend the history of Earth with the realities of Martian life, teaching them about their dual heritage and the extraordinary journey that brought their ancestors to another world. These young Martians will grow up with a profound sense of purpose, carrying forward the legacy of exploration and discovery that defines their place in history. They will see themselves as pioneers, inheriting a mission of resilience and unity that will guide them as they shape the future of Mars. The scientific exploration of Mars will deepen our understanding of planetary evolution and the conditions necessary for life. By studying Mars' ancient landscapes, climate, and geology, scientists hope to unravel mysteries about the planet's past, including whether it once harbored life. The discovery of microbial life, or evidence that it once existed, would be one of the most profound revelations in human history, suggesting that life may emerge wherever conditions permit. This realization would expand our understanding of biology and the potential diversity of life across the cosmos, prompting us to rethink the nature of existence itself. Even if Mars proves to be lifeless, the knowledge we gain will reinforce the preciousness of life on Earth and the delicate conditions that make it possible. The ethical considerations of Mars exploration invite us to reflect on our responsibilities as caretakers of other worlds. As we contemplate transforming Mars to make it more habitable, we must consider the impact of our actions on the planet's natural state. Mars offers an opportunity to develop an ethic of exploration rooted in respect, preservation, and responsibility. This philosophy of stewardship may set a precedent for all future exploration, guiding humanity toward a respectful interaction with other worlds. By approaching Mars with humility and care, we can lay the groundwork for a legacy of ethical exploration that extends across the cosmos. Governance on Mars will be a new experiment in creating fair and effective systems in an entirely unique environment. Unlike on Earth, where governance has evolved over centuries, Mars offers a blank slate, an opportunity to create systems that prioritize transparency, equity, and community well-being. Martian settlers will need adaptive governance structures that reflect the needs of a small, interdependent society, emphasizing collaboration and accountability. These governance models may inspire new ideas for Earth, offering insights into how communities can create fair, sustainable societies that value each individual's contribution. Mars will challenge us to reimagine leadership, justice, and responsibility, fostering a society built on the principles of unity and shared purpose. Mars will also inspire a renaissance of creativity, sparking new stories, music, art, and philosophical reflection that interpret the profound experience of life on another planet. Artists, writers, and thinkers will capture the awe and wonder of Mars, creating works that celebrate humanity's journey into the cosmos. These creative expressions will help bridge the cultural and emotional distance between Earth and Mars, fostering a sense of connection between the two worlds. Mars will become a source of inspiration, inviting humanity to explore not only new physical horizons, but also new dimensions of thought, imagination, and expression. In establishing a presence on Mars, humanity takes its first step toward a multi-planetary future, setting the stage for journeys that may one day lead us beyond the solar system. Mars is a proving ground for the skills, technologies, and philosophies that will guide us as we venture further into the unknown. This journey represents the beginning of an era in which humanity expands its presence in the cosmos, reaching toward distant worlds and, ultimately, distant stars. Mars is the first chapter in a story of exploration that will span generations, a story that will redefine what it means to be human. Mars represents the highest aspirations of humanity, our drive to explore, our commitment to discovery, and our capacity for unity. This journey is an affirmation of our shared potential and a testament to our resilience. In answering the call of Mars, we honor the legacy of those who came before us, carrying forward their spirit of curiosity and adventure. Mars is more than a scientific achievement. It is a symbol of hope, a promise of a future in which humanity's reach extends beyond our home planet. As we take each step closer to Mars, we carry with us the dreams, knowledge, and values of countless generations. We bring with us the stories, aspirations, and lessons that have defined our journey, honoring the past as we look toward the boundless possibilities of the future. Mars is not just a goal. It is the beginning of a new chapter, a journey that will forever change who we are and what we believe we can achieve. Mars awaits, silent yet filled with potential, ready to reveal its mysteries to those who dare to seek them. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a turning point that will shape the future of humanity itself. We stand at the dawn of an extraordinary adventure, one that will echo across time and inspire generations to come. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future where humanity's story unfolds across worlds, where our aspirations expand beyond Earth, and where our potential is as limitless as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to explore, to create, and to build a future that reflects the highest aspirations of the human spirit. This journey is the beginning of something extraordinary, a journey that will forever change our place in the cosmos and leave a legacy of exploration, unity, and wonder among the stars. We stand on the edge of a profound transformation, one that transcends the boundaries of science and technology and reaches into the very heart of our identity as a species. The journey to Mars represents not just a physical voyage across space, but a leap in consciousness, a moment in which we redefine what it means to explore, to innovate, and to expand our presence beyond Earth. Mars is not just a destination. It is a new beginning, a frontier that promises to reshape our civilization and inspire generations to come. The challenges of Mars are formidable, yet they ignite the ingenuity and resilience that define the human spirit. Every element of this mission, from designing sustainable habitats to creating systems for producing food, water, and energy, requires pioneering solutions that have never been attempted on this scale. These innovations are not only preparing us for life on Mars, but also driving breakthroughs that will benefit life on Earth, helping us to build more efficient, sustainable, and resilient communities. The technologies we develop for Mars, such as advanced recycling systems and renewable energy solutions, could transform how we live on our own planet, fostering a new era of ecological awareness and conservation. Mars is more than a barren landscape. It is a blank slate, a place where humanity has the opportunity to create new social structures, new ways of living, and new forms of culture. On Mars, settlers will experience a profound sense of interdependence, one that transcends the individual and prioritizes the needs of the community. This ethos of unity and cooperation will be essential for survival, creating a society in which each person's skills and contributions are deeply valued. Mars will teach us that the strength of a community lies in its ability to work together, to innovate, and to support one another. This spirit of collaboration may offer a new model for life on Earth, showing us that true progress is built on unity and mutual respect. The unique environment of Mars will give rise to a distinct culture, one that reflects the planet's stark beauty, its challenges, and the shared experiences of its settlers. Martian society will develop its own traditions, art, and stories, capturing the essence of life on a distant world. Music, literature, and visual art will interpret the landscapes of Mars, the isolation of space, and the courage it takes to build a life in the unknown. These expressions will shape a Martian identity that honors both the roots of Earth and the frontier spirit of Mars. Over time, this new culture will become a testament to humanity's adaptability and creativity, a reflection of our ability to find meaning and inspiration even in the most unfamiliar surroundings. The children born on Mars will be the first generation to live entirely on another planet, growing up with a perspective that bridges two worlds. For them, Mars will be home, while Earth will be a distant, ancestral place filled with stories and legacy. These young Martians will inherit a mission of exploration and resilience, understanding from an early age the importance of adaptability, sustainability, and unity. Their education will include both the history of Earth and the realities of Martian life, preparing them to carry forward the legacy of their ancestors while shaping the future of Mars. They will be the pioneers of a new age, embodying humanity's potential to expand, adapt, and thrive across planets. Mars also offers a rare opportunity to uncover the mysteries of planetary evolution and the potential for life beyond Earth. Scientists believe that Mars once had liquid water on its surface, along with a thicker atmosphere, conditions that may have supported microbial life. By studying Mars, we hope to answer fundamental questions about the origins of life, the processes that shape planets, and the factors that make a world habitable. The discovery of life, or even traces of past life, on Mars would be a groundbreaking revelation, suggesting that life might exist elsewhere in the universe. Such a discovery would expand our understanding of biology and challenge our perception of life's uniqueness, prompting us to consider our place in a potentially life-filled cosmos. The ethical questions surrounding Mars exploration are profound and compel us to reflect on our responsibilities as explorers. As we contemplate transforming Mars to make it more livable, we must consider the implications of altering an entire planet. Do we have the right to change Mars, or should we preserve its natural state as a testament to the history of the solar system? These questions invite us to approach exploration with humility and respect, reminding us that we are not conquerors but stewards. Mars offers a chance to create an ethic of exploration that values preservation and balance, setting a standard for humanity's interactions with other worlds. By embracing a philosophy of stewardship, we can ensure that our legacy in space reflects the highest principles of responsibility and care. Governance on Mars will represent a new experiment in building fair and adaptive societies. Martian settlers will face unique challenges, requiring systems of governance that are transparent, inclusive, and responsive to the needs of the community. This new approach to governance could inspire fresh perspectives on Earth, offering models that emphasize collaboration, accountability, and sustainability. On Mars, leadership will likely prioritize the welfare of the entire society, recognizing that the success of the individual is inseparable from the success of the community. This philosophy may serve as a guiding light for future societies, demonstrating that governance rooted in cooperation and mutual respect can create a thriving, cohesive community. Mars will also inspire a new wave of creativity, sparking art, literature, and philosophy that interpret the profound experience of life on another planet. The unique challenges and wonders of Martian life will be captured in stories, music, and art, celebrating humanity's journey into the cosmos and our capacity to find beauty in the unknown. These creative expressions will help us connect with Mars on a cultural level, bridging the emotional distance between Earth and our new frontier. Mars will become a source of inspiration, encouraging humanity to explore not only the physical universe, but also the depths of human experience, imagination, and expression. The journey to Mars represents the beginning of a multi-planetary future, setting the stage for explorations that will take us beyond our solar system. Mars is a proving ground for the technologies, skills, and philosophies that will guide us as we reach toward new frontiers. This journey is the first step in a much larger story, one that envisions humanity as an integral part of the cosmos, a species that embraces the vastness of space as its domain. Mars is the gateway to an interstellar future, a training ground that prepares us for the challenges and wonders that lie ahead. Mars embodies humanity's highest aspirations, our curiosity, our resilience, and our ability to unite in pursuit of a shared vision. This journey is a celebration of human potential, a testament to what we can achieve when we dream big and work together. In reaching for Mars, we honor the legacy of those who came before us, carrying forward their spirit of exploration and discovery. Mars is not just a destination. It is a symbol of hope, a promise of a future that knows no boundaries. As we draw closer to Mars, we carry with us the wisdom, courage, and dreams of countless generations. We bring with us the stories and values that have shaped our journey, honoring the past as we step boldly into the future. Mars is the beginning of a new chapter, a journey that will redefine who we are and what we believe we can achieve. Mars awaits, silent yet filled with potential, ready to reveal its mysteries to those who dare to explore. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a milestone that will shape the future of humanity for generations to come. We stand at the dawn of an extraordinary adventure, one that will inspire and unite, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that await. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future where the story of humanity unfolds across worlds, where our ambitions extend beyond the boundaries of Earth, and where our potential is as limitless as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to dream, to build, and to create a future that reflects the very best of humanity. This journey is the beginning of something extraordinary, a journey that will forever change our place in the cosmos and leave a legacy of exploration, unity, and wonder among the stars. This mission marks a defining chapter in our collective story, a story driven by curiosity, resilience, and an unyielding desire to expand our reach beyond the boundaries of Earth. Mars is more than a distant world. It is a symbol of our ambition and a testament to what we can achieve when we pursue a shared dream. This journey will test our limits, challenge our understanding, and ultimately bring us closer to realizing a future in which human civilization thrives across planets. Mars represents the next great leap for humanity, one that unites us in purpose and vision. The mission to Mars is not an isolated effort. It is the result of years of global collaboration, bringing together the best minds, resources, and technologies from around the world. Engineers, scientists, and thinkers from every culture and background have come together to overcome the challenges of interplanetary travel. This unprecedented cooperation embodies the essence of Mars, a place where humanity's greatest strengths, our curiosity, creativity, and unity, converge. In reaching for Mars, we are reaching toward a new way of living and working together, one that transcends borders and builds a shared legacy. The challenges of life on Mars are unlike anything humanity has ever faced. The settlers who arrive on Mars will need to create systems that provide food, water, energy, and shelter in an environment that offers none of these things naturally. Every resource will be precious, and every action will be intentional, guided by the need to live sustainably and minimize waste. Mars will become a model of self-sufficiency, a place where the ingenuity required for survival reshapes our approach to life on Earth. The technologies and strategies we develop to thrive on Mars will inspire new solutions for resource management, conservation, and sustainability, helping us address critical challenges here at home. Mars, in this sense, becomes not only a new frontier, but a teacher, showing us how to live in harmony with our environment. Mars will also redefine our understanding of community. On Earth, we often take for granted the resources and support systems that sustain us, but life on Mars will be different. Martian settlers will rely on each other in ways that go beyond simple cooperation. They will be bound by a profound interdependence, where each person's well-being is tied to the well-being of the community. This reliance on one another will foster a deep sense of unity and mutual respect, creating a society that values collaboration, empathy, and resilience. Martian society will remind us of the importance of shared purpose and interconnectedness, offering a vision of community that celebrates the strength found in unity and the power of working together toward a common goal. The cultural evolution on Mars will reflect the unique challenges and experiences of life on another planet. Free from Earth's established traditions, Martian settlers will have the freedom to create new customs, rituals, and expressions that capture the essence of their journey. Art, music, and storytelling on Mars will interpret the planet's landscapes, the silence of space, and the resilience required to survive. Over time, a distinct Martian culture will emerge, one that honors its roots on Earth while embracing the frontier spirit of Mars. This culture will be a celebration of human adaptability and creativity, a living testament to our capacity to find meaning and beauty in even the most unfamiliar surroundings. Children born and raised on Mars will embody this new era, representing the first generation to grow up on a planet other than Earth. For them, Mars will be home, and Earth will be a distant place of heritage and stories. These young Martians will grow up with a dual identity, grounded in the legacy of Earth while embracing the reality of life on Mars. They will learn resilience, adaptability, and the importance of sustainability, values that will guide them as they shape the future of Mars. This new generation will be the pioneers of a multiplanetary society, carrying forward the spirit of exploration and embodying humanity's ability to expand, adapt, and thrive in new worlds. Mars holds profound scientific promise, offering insights into planetary evolution and the potential for life beyond Earth. By studying Mars' geology, climate, and atmosphere, scientists hope to uncover clues about its past and whether it once supported life. The discovery of life, or evidence that it once existed, would be one of the most transformative moments in human history, suggesting that life might arise wherever conditions allow. This realization would expand our understanding of biology and open new questions about the potential for life across the cosmos. Even if Mars is found to be lifeless, the knowledge we gain will enhance our appreciation of Earth's unique ecosystems and reinforce the importance of preserving the environments that sustain us. The ethical questions of Mars exploration invite us to reflect on our role as stewards of other worlds. As we contemplate altering Mars to make it more hospitable, we are faced with choices that have implications for the planet's natural history. Should Mars be preserved as it is, a record of the solar system's history, or transformed to support human life? These questions compel us to approach exploration with respect, humility, and a commitment to preservation. Mars offers humanity a chance to establish a legacy of responsible exploration, one that values stewardship and care. This ethic of exploration will set a standard for our interactions with other planets, ensuring that humanity's expansion into the cosmos is guided by principles of responsibility and respect. The governance of Mars will represent a new experiment in building societies from the ground up. Without the constraints of Earth's established systems, Martian settlers will have the opportunity to design governance structures that reflect their unique environment and needs. This governance may prioritize transparency, equity, and community welfare, creating a model of leadership that values each person's contribution to the whole. This approach to governance could inspire new ideas on Earth, offering insights into how communities can foster fairness, sustainability, and collaboration. Martian governance will serve as an example of how humanity can build societies that prioritize unity and shared purpose, guiding our approach to future civilizations across planets. Mars will also inspire a renaissance of creativity, sparking new stories, art, music, and philosophy that explore the profound experience of life on another planet. Artists and writers will capture the wonder and mystery of Mars, interpreting the landscapes and challenges that define Martian life. These creative expressions will help us connect emotionally to Mars, bridging the distance between Earth and our new frontier. Mars will become a source of inspiration, inviting humanity to explore not only the physical universe, but also the depths of imagination, creativity, and expression. This cultural blossoming will enrich our understanding of Mars and deepen our connection to a future that spans worlds. The journey to Mars represents the beginning of a multiplanetary future, a future in which humanity reaches beyond Earth to explore, discover, and settle new worlds. Mars is our training ground, a place where we will develop the skills, technologies, and philosophies that will prepare us for journeys that extend even further. This journey is the first step in a story that envisions humanity as a part of the cosmos, a species that embraces the vastness of space and sees itself as an integral part of the universe. Mars is not just a destination. It is the foundation for a future that redefines what it means to be human. Mars embodies humanity's highest aspirations, our curiosity, our resilience, and our ability to unite for a common goal. This journey is a celebration of human potential, a testament to what we can achieve when we work together to pursue a shared vision. In answering the call of Mars, we honor the legacy of those who came before us, carrying forward their spirit of exploration and discovery. Mars is more than a scientific achievement. It is a symbol of hope, a promise of a future that transcends Earth's boundaries. As we draw closer to Mars, we carry with us the dreams, wisdom, and courage of countless generations. We bring with us the values and knowledge that have shaped our journey, honoring the past as we step into the vast possibilities of the future. Mars is the beginning of a new chapter, a journey that will forever change our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Mars awaits, silent and full of potential, ready to reveal its mysteries to those who dare to explore. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a milestone that will shape the future of humanity for generations. We stand at the dawn of an extraordinary adventure, one that will inspire and unite, reminding us of the limitless potential that lies beyond. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future where humanity's story unfolds across worlds, where our ambitions extend beyond Earth, and where our potential is as limitless as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to build, to dream, and to create a future that reflects the highest aspirations of the human spirit. This journey is not an end but a beginning, a journey that will forever change our place in the cosmos and leave a legacy of exploration, unity, and hope among the stars. A testament to the power of curiosity, resilience, and unity. Mars is more than a scientific endeavor. It is a transformative mission that will forever redefine our understanding of existence, pushing us to embrace a future beyond Earth. This journey, unprecedented in its scale and ambition, represents the beginning of humanity's expansion into the cosmos, a vision that stretches far beyond Mars itself. The challenges of Mars demand a level of ingenuity and adaptation that will redefine our approach to life. Settlers on Mars will need to build entirely new systems for shelter, energy, food, and water, all within an environment that offers none of the natural resources we take for granted on Earth. This journey will require us to innovate, to create technologies and sustainable practices that support life in an alien world. Every step towards self-sufficiency on Mars pushes the boundaries of what's possible, and these advancements hold the potential to reshape life on Earth. The closed-loop systems, renewable energy solutions, and recycling technologies developed for Mars could transform urban living, helping us address the environmental challenges we face on our own planet. In this way, Mars becomes a proving ground for a more sustainable future, teaching us how to live in harmony with limited resources. Mars will also transform how we see ourselves and our relationship to each other. Life on Mars will be a constant reminder of our interdependence, creating a society where collaboration and mutual support are essential for survival. Settlers will face challenges that can only be overcome together, fostering a deep sense of community and shared purpose. This collective experience will shape a Martian society that values cooperation and resilience, creating a culture that celebrates unity over individualism. In this way, Mars will teach us that the strength of a community is measured not only by its resources, but by the bonds that connect its people. This model of interconnectedness may inspire us to rethink social structures on Earth, reminding us that we are stronger when we work together toward a common goal. The isolation and unfamiliarity of Mars will also give rise to a unique cultural identity, one that reflects the harsh beauty of the red planet and the pioneering spirit of its settlers. Freed from Earth's traditional customs, Martian society will have the opportunity to create new traditions, art forms, and expressions that resonate with the Martian experience. Music, literature, and visual art will interpret the vast landscapes of Mars, the silence of space, and the resilience required to thrive in such an environment. Over time, this Martian culture will become a living testament to human adaptability and creativity, showing that even in the most extreme circumstances, we find ways to connect, express, and celebrate life. This evolution of culture will be a reminder that humanity's greatest strength lies in our ability to find meaning and beauty in even the most unfamiliar places. The children of Mars will be the first generation to grow up entirely on another planet, carrying forward a legacy of exploration and resilience. For these young Martians, Earth will be a distant, yet integral part of their heritage, a place of origin and connection, yet fundamentally different from the world they know. Their education will blend Earth's history with the unique challenges of Martian life, preparing them to embrace both worlds and to carry forward the mission of exploration. These children will be the pioneers of a multi-planetary civilization, growing up with an understanding of unity, sustainability, and adaptability that will shape their vision for the future. They will represent humanity's expansion beyond Earth, embodying the spirit of exploration that defines us and inspiring future generations to reach even further. Mars offers an unparalleled opportunity for scientific discovery, challenging us to answer questions about planetary evolution, climate, and the potential for life. By studying Mars geology, ancient water channels, and atmosphere, scientists hope to unlock secrets about its past and determine whether it once supported life. The discovery of even the smallest evidence of microbial life, or signs that life once existed, would be a groundbreaking revelation, suggesting that life could emerge in diverse conditions across the cosmos. This discovery would reshape our understanding of biology, expanding our concept of life's potential and prompting new questions about our place in a universe that may be filled with life. Even if Mars is found to be lifeless, the insights we gain will deepen our understanding of Earth's ecosystems, highlighting the conditions that make life possible and the fragility of our own biosphere. The ethical considerations of Mars exploration invite us to reflect on our responsibilities as caretakers of new worlds. As we contemplate transforming Mars to make it more habitable, we face profound questions about preservation and respect. Should Mars remain untouched, a testament to the history of the solar system, or should it be transformed to support human life? These questions challenge us to approach exploration with humility, creating a philosophy of stewardship that guides humanity's interactions with other planets. Mars offers a chance to develop an ethic of exploration that values preservation, balance, and respect, establishing principles that will inform humanity's future in space. By approaching Mars with care, we can build a legacy of responsible exploration that reflects our highest values. The governance of Mars will be an experiment in creating fair and adaptive societies. Martian settlers will need governance systems that reflect their unique environment, emphasizing transparency, equity, and community welfare. Unlike on Earth, where governance has evolved over centuries, Mars offers a blank slate, a chance to design systems that prioritize the well-being of all members of society. This approach may inspire fresh perspectives on Earth, offering models of leadership that prioritize collaboration, accountability, and shared purpose. Martian governance will reflect the values of unity and mutual respect, demonstrating how humanity can create thriving communities that work together to overcome adversity. Mars will also inspire a wave of creativity, sparking new stories, music, art, and philosophy that explore the profound experience of life on another planet. Artists and writers will capture the wonder and mystery of Mars, creating works that celebrate humanity's journey into the cosmos and the beauty of our expanded horizons. These creative expressions will help bridge the cultural and emotional distance between Earth and Mars, fostering a sense of connection between the two worlds. Mars will become a source of inspiration, offering humanity a new perspective that enriches our understanding of existence and our place in the universe. As we establish a foothold on Mars, we are preparing for journeys that will take us even farther, to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and eventually beyond our solar system. Mars is the first step in a journey that will lead humanity to explore the cosmos, embracing the vastness of space and all its unknowns. The technologies, skills, and philosophies developed on Mars will guide us as we reach toward distant worlds, envisioning a future in which humanity becomes a part of the cosmos itself. Mars is the beginning of a story that will unfold across generations, a story that redefines our relationship with the universe and our place within it. Mars embodies humanity's highest aspirations, our courage, our curiosity, and our capacity for unity. This journey is a celebration of human potential, a testament to what we can achieve when we dream big and work together. In answering the call of Mars, we honor the legacy of explorers who came before us, carrying forward their spirit of discovery and resilience. Mars is more than a scientific achievement. It is a symbol of hope, a promise of a future where humanity's reach knows no bounds. As we take each step closer to Mars, we carry with us the dreams, knowledge, and resilience of countless generations. We bring with us the stories, values, and aspirations that have shaped our journey, honoring the past as we look toward the infinite possibilities of the future. Mars is not just a destination. It is the beginning of a new chapter, a journey that will forever change who we are and what we believe we can achieve. Mars awaits, silent and filled with potential, ready to reveal its mysteries to those who dare to explore. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a turning point that will shape the future of humanity itself. We stand at the dawn of an extraordinary adventure, one that will inspire and unite, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that await. As we reach for Mars, we reach for a future where humanity's story unfolds across worlds, where our ambitions extend beyond Earth, and where our potential is as limitless as the universe itself. Mars is calling, and we are ready to answer, to dream, to build, and to create a future that reflects the highest aspirations of the human spirit. This journey is the beginning of something extraordinary, a journey that will forever change our place in the cosmos and leave a legacy of exploration. Mars stands as a gateway to a new age, a frontier that challenges us to push past the boundaries of our knowledge, to adapt in ways we've never before imagined, and to see ourselves not only as inhabitants of Earth, but as citizens of the cosmos. This journey represents the culmination of human achievement, bringing together centuries of exploration, science, and innovation. But even more, it signals the beginning of a new era, one where humanity reaches beyond the confines of its home planet to become a truly spacefaring species. Mars invites us to reflect on our highest aspirations, to envision a future where our actions and discoveries shape a legacy of unity and resilience. The mission to Mars has brought people together from all walks of life, from scientists and engineers to artists and storytellers, each contributing a piece of their expertise and imagination to this shared goal. This collaborative spirit transcends national boundaries and unites us in a way that few endeavors ever have. In preparing for Mars, we are reminded of the power of cooperation and the strength found in diversity. This spirit of collaboration will be crucial as we face the challenges of establishing life on a new world, reminding us that humanity's greatest accomplishments are born from shared vision and collective effort. The journey to Mars also teaches us to adapt in ways we never before thought possible. Mars is a world unlike Earth, with its harsh, cold deserts, thin atmosphere, and intense radiation. Surviving on Mars will require more than technological ingenuity. It will require a willingness to embrace change, to see challenges as opportunities, and to continuously innovate. Every aspect of life on Mars, from food production to waste recycling to energy generation, will require new ways of thinking and living. These adaptations will not only make life possible on Mars, but will also inspire us to reconsider our own practices on Earth, encouraging us to adopt a mindset of conservation, sustainability, and resourcefulness. Mars will be a mirror, reflecting back lessons we can use to improve life on our home planet. Life on Mars will demand a profound sense of interdependence and community. In an environment where every resource is precious and survival depends on cooperation, settlers will experience a level of unity that transcends individual goals. Martian society will be built on mutual reliance, where every person's role contributes to the well-being of the whole. This ethos of community will give rise to a Martian culture that values resilience, compassion, and collective purpose, a society that understands that strength lies not in isolation but in connection. This model of interdependence may serve as a powerful example for societies on Earth, showing us that true progress comes from working together and that our greatest resource is each other. Mars will inspire a culture that reflects the beauty, challenges, and mystery of life on another world. Freed from Earth's conventions, Martian settlers will have the opportunity to create new traditions, values, and expressions that capture the essence of their journey. Art, music, literature, and storytelling will evolve to reflect the unique landscapes, the silence, and the vastness of Mars. Over time, a distinct Martian identity will emerge, one that honors its roots on Earth while embracing the spirit of a new frontier. This culture will not only define life on Mars, but also remind us of humanity's innate ability to find meaning and inspiration, no matter how far we travel from home. The children of Mars will carry forward this new identity, representing the first generation to live their lives entirely on another planet. For these young Martians, Earth will be a place of stories and legacy, a world they may never see but will always be a part of their heritage. Their education will blend Earth's history with the unique challenges of Martian life, teaching them about the resilience, adaptability, and unity required to thrive on a new world. They will inherit a legacy of exploration and courage, growing up with the knowledge that they are pioneers of a new chapter in human history. These children will embody humanity's capacity to adapt, to grow, and to expand our vision beyond the limits of Earth. Mars is a treasure trove of scientific discovery, offering insights into planetary formation, climate history, and the potential for life. By studying Mars' ancient landscapes and frozen waters, scientists hope to unlock secrets about its past and determine whether it ever supported microbial life. The discovery of even the smallest sign of life would be transformative, suggesting that life could emerge in varied environments across the universe. This revelation would fundamentally change our understanding of biology, expanding our perspective on life's potential and prompting new questions about our place in a universe that may be far more alive than we ever imagined. Even if Mars is found to be lifeless, the knowledge we gain will deepen our appreciation of Earth's biodiversity and underscore the importance of protecting the ecosystems that sustain us. The ethical considerations of Mars exploration challenge us to act as responsible stewards of other worlds. As we contemplate transforming Mars to support human life, we are faced with questions about preservation, respect, and balance. Mars offers humanity a chance to create an ethic of exploration that values the integrity of other planets, a philosophy that treats each world with humility and care. By approaching Mars with a commitment to preservation, we set a precedent for future explorations, ensuring that our actions reflect a respect for the vastness and mystery of the cosmos. This ethic of exploration will guide humanity as we reach further into the galaxy, reminding us that exploration is not about conquest but about understanding. Governance on Mars will require innovation, flexibility, and a commitment to equity. Martian settlers will face unique challenges that demand governance systems built on transparency, fairness, and shared purpose. Without the weight of Earth's historical institutions, Mars offers a blank canvas, a place to design governance structures that reflect the needs and values of an interdependent society. This approach could serve as a model for future communities on Earth, inspiring governance that prioritizes the well-being of all and fosters unity. The principles developed on Mars will guide humanity's approach to future civilizations across planets, demonstrating that governance rooted in mutual respect and shared purpose can create societies that thrive. Mars will inspire a new generation of creators, thinkers, and dreamers, sparking a renaissance of art, literature, and philosophy that interprets the profound experience of life on another planet. Artists and writers will capture the awe and wonder of Mars, creating works that celebrate humanity's journey into the cosmos and our expanding horizons. These creative expressions will help us connect with Mars on a cultural level, bridging the distance between Earth and our new frontier. Mars will become a source of inspiration, encouraging humanity to explore not only new physical territories, but also the depths of imagination, expression, and human experience. The journey to Mars is only the beginning, a stepping stone toward a future where humanity reaches beyond the solar system. Mars is a training ground, preparing us for journeys that will take us to the icy moons of distant planets, to the worlds orbiting other stars, and beyond. This mission represents the dawn of a multi-planetary era, a time when humanity will expand its presence across the galaxy and embrace the mysteries of the cosmos. The skills, knowledge, and philosophies we develop on Mars will guide us as we continue this journey, ensuring that humanity's exploration of space is driven by curiosity, humility, and a commitment to discovery. Mars is a symbol of humanity's highest aspirations, our courage, our resilience, and our capacity to unite in pursuit of a common vision. This journey represents the best of what we are capable of, a testament to the power of collective effort and shared purpose. In answering the call of Mars, we honor the legacy of explorers who came before us, carrying forward their spirit of adventure and their commitment to progress. Mars is more than a scientific milestone. It is a promise of a future where humanity's reach extends beyond Earth, where our curiosity and creativity know no bounds. As we take each step toward Mars, we carry with us the dreams, wisdom, and resilience of countless generations. We bring with us the values, stories, and aspirations that have shaped our journey, honoring the past as we look toward the infinite possibilities of the future. Mars is the beginning of a new chapter, a journey that will forever change who we are and what we believe we can achieve. Mars awaits, silent yet filled with potential, ready to reveal its mysteries to those who dare to explore. This journey to Mars is a defining moment, a milestone that will shape the future of humanity for generations. We stand at the dawn of an extraordinary adventure, one that will inspire and unite, reminding us of the limitless potential that lies beyond. If you liked the video, then consider clicking on the recommendation and watch our other videos. Be sure to subscribe, and see you on our next interstellar trip.